Happy Tuesday, time to eat, family. Y'all ready? Started here. I think, may have a trade here very soon. Let's see. Familia. What it do? What's up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Welcome in. Welcome. Hope you guys are doing good. All right, welcome everybody. Can you guys hear me okay? You guys hear me good? All right. Hey, W's in the chat. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. You guys can hear me good. Perfect. Awesome. Good to see you guys here today. It's another great day here. What a day to be alive, huh? Hey, whoever was in the war room last night. Oh man. Man, I couldn't even sleep last night, gang. Wow. What a blessing it was last night. Oh yeah. Okay. Happy Tuesday. Welcome. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is. I know we got people all over the world nowadays, right? We are worldwide here today. I got my mic, but still got to do something to that. So let's leave that up there for today. And let's get it started. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Leo. Ghosted me. Got a trade. Hey, yo. Good to see you all. So let's get to it, right? See what we got going on. Let me just lower the music just a smidge bit here. And we'll get the breakdown going because I think we may get some early positions here. So let's take a look in terms of news here today. Let's just refresh this page. So we got some core retail sales coming out here at 8:30 today. The CAD has some CPI here as well. Bunch of red folders here for the CAD, and then as well for the US dollar. So we should have some good volume coming in today, gang. It should be fun and eventful day. Yeah, let's get started. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at pound yen, and let's take a look at US 30 here today. All right. Sound good? We got 200 likes. Screw the 300 likes. We're not doing that anymore. We need 200 likes. I mean, we still need 300, but before the we're gonna leave that at 200. So let's get there, and then let me just get the Zoom link out. Let me share my screen here. Oh man, this was perfect. I did not hear one person come in the door on Zoom. Everyone's got it muted. Did we record last night? Yeah, we did. Yep. Okay, let me just grab my tools here. Also, let me we're sharing screen. Yep, we're good. All right, cool. Hey, by the way, chat, we got 9.7K here. I think we're gonna hit 10K today. Actually, I know we're gonna hit 10K today. It's already done. Awesome, cool. Let's get this started. Let's take a look at the charts here and see what we got going on, right? So let's take a look at gold first, and then we'll look at pound yen. and then we'll take a look at the Dow here. So taking a look at gold, let's go back to the monthly time frame here. One thing we know about this monthly time frame, let me just lower this just a little bit more. Let me lower it on my end here. Okay, that should be good. Okay, cool. All right, let's do it. So let's take a look at the monthly time frame here on gold, as this monthly candle is still continuing up. You know, as many of you guys know, I'm going to do a pretty quick analysis here today. It's not going to be like a 20-minute analysis. All right, so what do we see here? We got rejections, right? 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejections. Every time price closed, we kind of move down bearish, closed, resistance, move down bearish, closed here. We should move down bearish according to price action, but you know, obviously we have to play each day as it comes. So as we move through this rejection zone, we found an issue, and that issue has been taking place right here. So do we have a fake out? Right, that's the question. Will we have a monthly fake out here? We don't know, right? This could right now just be the top wick for the monthly candle. It could always come down and re-break the lows, as long as this high gets respected here, right? As long as that high gets respected by this high, price can continue down, fill this next range, and then, you know, continue down if anything. So that's where we're at right now. We are having a bit of a hold up. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. Weekly time frame did create some sort of support. We are coming up to a weekly resistance as well right here at 1970. So, or 1960 here. So we have not yet closed above it, right? If we do close above on this weekly candle on Friday, then you could expect price to come back into this range, and you could probably expect to see a bullish rally coming up to fill that resistance up there. So that has not happened yet. We're still waiting on that. We have to see how this candle closes, right? But one thing I do know is that we did just recently break these weekly highs here, and you know, that could indicate that price is going to move up, right? So let's take a look at the 4-hour or the daily, right? So the daily, yesterday we closed very, very weak bearish. We've broken the daily highs, we've broken the previous daily highs as well over here, and this is kind of like the current range that we're in. So that's our support, that's our resistance. We are pretty bullish at this point based off of this daily candle. We don't really have much of a bottom wick yet though, right? That's the only concern there. 4-hour did close above all this wick rejection here, indicating again that price should continue up. The 1-hour, let's take a look at how this 1-hour closed here. So 1-hour did close above here. So if we do get a bottom wick, we may be open to taking positions here. I do believe we have clean traffic to the left hand side, you know, coming up into these, you know, ranges up here at 1965. So that is the next range that we're looking at on gold, and that's pretty clean, right? Pretty clean based off of the daily time frame, based off of the weekly time frame, and a potential fake out here on the monthly. So we did get the closure. Let's see, we are coming down. Let's see, where would I want to see a bottom wick? Probably right where it's at. Yeah, right around here, Chad. I think I'm gonna buy stop. So buy stops on the break of the highs here. Quick early trade potentially. So buy stops are going to be at the break of this 1-hour high right here. So price is making a bottom wick right now, and then as we break this high, we should be good to continue on up. So let me just get mine. Yeah, stops are going to be below, let me just see this. Yeah, stops are going to be below the current 1-hour lows here. So, I'm sorry, previous lows. Stop loss going to be under the previous lows here. Oh, what did I get spread it in? Okay. So it looks like I got, holy. Yeah, I got into this buy here. So buy stops have been activated. Got into some buys. Stops are going to be below the previous candle low, and then first TP is going to be up here at 1965. So that's the trade. Welcome. welcome. So the way I'm going to manage this trade also is I'm looking to pretty much fill the wick here. So now that we have closed officially above that level, we should be good to come up and fill that wick to the left hand side, and then 1965 800 is pretty much the TP at this point. So very quick trade, but we're locked in. If you have not get in yet, there's always another opportunity here. So once it breaks the high, that should be good to go. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I must have got spread into this position. Okay, cool. Yeah, very fast here today. So we'll see what happens. Price did close above that level. I don't know what happened. I clearly got spreaded in. I guess my Forex fund spreads are, well, now they're only 1 pip, but yeah, I don't know what happened there. Got spreaded into that position, but it should be pretty clean to move up. Stops are going to be the current candle lows here, and they should respect that if we want to continue up. All right, so that's the position. And yeah, we're in. And good morning, Scott. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, this was the area in which I was looking at for the closure above. We did close above that, so simple breakout. Okay, and let's take a look at pound yen here as well, while this trade does whatever it needs to do here. So GJ, taking a look at GJ here, based off the weekly time frame, we are bearish. We did close bearish yesterday. Looking at the daily time frame, we also closed bearish, creating like this onion play here. And let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour did close bearish as well. I would like to see a bit of a pullback here. So I wanna wait to see if we could find some sort of resistance up top here for price to continue back down here on pound yen. So let's see if we can get some sort of an onion play up here. And you know, if we do, we'll take our sells coming back down. You got very clean ranges down into these zones here, and that's what I'll be looking at here. So pound yen range 2 buys are above here, or we take sells at a resistance here. Oh, range 2 buys. Cool. Oh, wow, we came right down there. Oh, wow, we broke the low there, huh? Uh-oh. Wow. Yeah, no, it looks like a good position to me though, man. We did close bullish. We did close above that range here. We should be respecting these levels. We did break highs. We broke weekly highs here. I'm expecting these candles to start to push up now. 30-minute did close bearish, but it did close above the range here. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, the only way I'll close the position outside of full stops is if we close below this level here. If we close below that level, then I'll close my position wherever we're at. Yeah, that's the only way I would manage this in a losing situation. Other than that, if we re-break the highs, we should go up and fill the wick and tap into 1965 here today. Other than that, there's no other way to manage the position, right? Heart beating. Are you in? Yeah, I'm in this trade. Yep. Yep, I'm in this position. So let me just move my TP up here to 65. And that's what I'm looking at here. Yep, that's the trade. What is stop loss? Oh, stop loss is right here. Everything's up here. My stops were below the previous candle lows here. and then entry was the break of the high. So if you haven't entered the trade yet, it is a pretty good idea. If it does break the high again, should be good to, should be clean to drive up. What am I eating? This is the quietest chat's ever been. Begin the stream. Hey chat, throw some W's in the chat, man. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's GJ. We're gonna wait for some sort of resistance to be formed here. That's gonna be very, very nice, because we are very bearish, right? We're very bearish. We created a top wick. We've come down. I think we're gonna, you know, range a little bit, and then NY session should be able to push us down here. Cool. All right, perfect. Now let's take a look at US 30 here. So taking a look at the Dow here, let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly is very bullish, as we know. Daily is very bullish as well. If we look left, we have a massive wick to fill here. Massive wick. Let's take a look left here. Yeah, daily looks pretty clean to continue back on up. Taking a look at the 4-hour, we're in a nasty range, right? Nasty range on the 4-hour time frame. On US 30, let's take a look at the 1-hour. 1-hour as well, just very, very choppy here. Very choppy. Taking a look at the 30-minute, yeah, it looks pretty clean. So what I would do is I would take buys above here to go ahead and fill this wick, and then range 2 sells below here. Very, very simple today. Buys above. Perfect. Perfecto. Cool. Morning, Joe. What up, Joe Stu? Morning, brother. All right, so yep, so that's gonna be US 30 here today, and we may take positions here on US 30 today. Let's see, we're gonna target that wick fill up there, and then yeah, we'll look to come down into these ranges below here if we get a range 2 breakout. And that is the day. That's the day. Which path you took on the funded trader? Do you mean which kind of account? I have a Royal. Yeah, I have the Royal account. Yeah, I got a Royal. Yeah, Royal is that's the one that you can use magic keys, so I just decided to go with that one. Good morning, Z Gamer. What do I think about 30-minute on gold? It looks okay. The 30-minute did close above, so we did close above this, you know, this 30-minute resistance here. So technically, it's a celery play. Now we did break the lows there, so that's a bit, you know, not on our side. But yeah, 30-minute candle closed above. So Royal swing? No, Royal, just Royal. The war room yesterday, oh man, just incredible, gang.
Hey yo, good morning.
What up, Johnny boy?
It's good, brother Nick. What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Happy day. Doing great, bro. Doing great. It's good, everyone in Zoom. Hope you guys are doing well.
Morning,
Morning, brother John. Morning, Mr. Nick. How we doing?
Morning, Jose.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic.
I was on a morning walk, and then I heard a buy stop, so I had to put the phone in the pocket and sprint.
Start running back home.
Yeah.
Yo, facts.
Yeah, we should be good to go, man. We had a 1-hour close above. Everything looks pretty clean. Besides that break of the low there, that, you know, I wasn't expecting that, but yeah. Let's see if we could turn around and continue on up.
Break that high. Ooh, I'm looking at like 2 pip spreads right now.
There we go. There we go, chat. See if we could break the highs here. Let's see if we could break the highs. If we came down, broke the lows, and now re-breaking the highs, it should be good to go up.
Oh, the spreads on this is crazy.
Yeah, they're getting... Yeah, I'm
I
gonna
had
go
a
break
three
even right
pip
there.
spread.
Got like 2 pips.
I got spread into this position.
Yeah,
Oh,
so did
dude.
I right now.
I don't even think price flipped bullish and I was in that position. Activated now. Oh, nice. Yeah, the rest of you guys are getting activated now here. Beautiful. BEA.
Push out very nicely.
Yeah. Everybody's activated. Oh, nice. BEA beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna close partials here. 15 candle closing with no bottom wick as well, and I'm just gonna move stops to break even. So yeah, I close partials around 7 pips, and then we'll see if the rest can keep driving. There it goes. There it goes. I feel a hat trick today. Hey, I feel a hat trick. I feel a hat trick today too. Yes, I just closed partials, gang. Moving stops to break even there as well, and making that a risk-free trade. Oh, there it goes. All right. Oh, oh,
Whoa! Holy snap!
Hey, yo.
Yo.
What was that? All right,
What
there it
the
is. That was the trade. Beautiful. Holy.
What is? Was there news? No,
I don't
there's
know what happened here, man.
What is
That
going
was
on?
crazy.
What?
All right.
Yeah, that was the
Dude,
first trade ever where my full TP was hit and it just froze.
It just froze up.
That is crazy.
That was a banger.
Holy.
It's gonna be a
What the
beautiful
hell
wick
just
fill.
happened?
Banger. All right. Well, that's how we rebound, right, from yesterday. So beautiful. W. So let's do the. Let's just write that down here.
Sheesh.
Okay, cool. So
Beautiful.
that was 7. Yeah, full TP got smashed there. I closed partials at 8 pips, and then full TP got tapped there for what, 26 pips. Yeah, it was nuts. All right.
Wowzers.
What's today? 18th, right?
18th.
18th, 2023.
Was there another AI thing? Like, what the hell?
Yeah, I'm looking at Twitter right now. See.
This is 9:30 yesterday. We took that trade at what, 7 a.m. Early trade here for us.
Very.
Gold buys. Breakout. Current. 1 hour time frame. Oh, you know what? I don't think I changed my risk. I don't think I changed my risk. Did I open a 6 slot there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a beauty. 10 lot. Okay, cool. Nice. All right, perfect. I passed my challenge. Let's go. Hey, cheers, chat. Didn't even finish my
Yo.
excess.
Good morning.
Sammy
Yo, what
boy.
just happened, bro? I gotta check out the Forex factory, bro. I'm down here making coffee, and I look, and I'm up
Bro,
5 pips. I look again, cause I heard someone like making like yell, bro. I look again, I'm up 70.
There you go, yeah.
Crazy, bro.
70?
Crazy, bro. 70. Yep.
Yeah, damn, bro. Damn,
Just
what was that?
You didn't have a
7%. No, I didn't have anything on. I just had
Oh,
on.
wow,
I just
dude.
had stops
Beautiful.
at break even.
Oh, wow.
Big chillin', sheesh.
Big
Yeah, that was a
challenge.
nice move. I'm not too
You're
sure
probably
what
hyped
caused
when you
that.
saw that.
I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm on my way up. Hold on, I'll be right back
Time
on.
to hit the water park now.
Yep. I'll be right
Hit
back
the
in a
water
second.
pop. All right, cool. Yeah, beautiful trade there, chat. Only if I didn't have my TP set. Yep. Dubs. Glory to the... Yeah, man. Yup. See, it's very... Tuesdays are very powerful after the war room, I'm telling you. It's a different vibe out here in the markets on Tuesdays. Wow, came 1 pip from hitting stops on that too. Sheesh. Yeah, remember, this 30-minute candle closed above that range, right? So we were good to go. We were all good in terms of price action. Now, it's just some freaky stuff, right? Where the 1 hour candle comes down and breaks the lows. Pretty interesting. Wow, this thing ran. I don't even know where I got exited on this trade. It doesn't even show me. Bye, Nick. Later. Later. There you go. You got your money for the day.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for stopping by. All right, chat. Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.
Chat.
Alrighty, I'm here.
More trades, please.
So did anybody see what that news was, or?
No, I did not.
No, I'm trying to look into it, but so far nothing. Not even Twitter. Nothing.
G20 meeting in India to end without. I will say I know yesterday the probability, or why we probably got stopped out of our trade. I will say right around the same time we entered our trade, there was some stuff going on in the east with I forget exactly what countries, but it's Russia and another country, and it had to do with it has to do with food being sent around the world. Like so obviously let me look at it real quick so I can actually give you guys some good info.
Yeah, was that you talking about this just now, right?
No, I'm talking about yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
That's probably why our trade didn't play out in our favor and gold started to move up. Because like yesterday's setup was perfect. Like that was textbook. Obviously, losses are always part of the game. No trader does not take any losses, but if I had to bet like what would happen, that would have been that. Yeah, here. Russia ended the Black Sea grain deal, which is obviously sending grain across the Black Sea and that. So food, they're cutting off food supplies.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, big O.
That's
Yeah, I
not
have no
good.
idea what just happened though. That's crazy.
That was wild.
Wow. What a rocket ship this was.
Yeah, I
Not expecting that.
was sitting there making coffee, and I opened up the stream, and you were in the trade already. I was like, whoa, yo. So then I just had it whenever it came back and rebroke the highs, was where I got in it.
Yeah, that might have been our earliest trade. I think we took
For
I think
sure.
we took a
Think
7
so.
a.m. before. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel though, subscribe to the channel now, man. We are creeping on 10K here. Creeping. Definitely hitting 10K today. I could feel it.
The weirdest thing too, like it broke the low and just
I
decided
rigged,
to drive up after that.
yeah, I rigged the market after that loss yesterday. I called
Yeah.
Pal. I called Pal up extremely angry. Extremely angry. Told him, hey, in front of 2,500 people, you let me get stopped out on a beautiful breakout and then break even on another 92% win rate, beautiful celery play? What's the matter with you, pal? Yeah, he was very upset. So he said, I got you today. So I'm feeling a hat trick here today as well. And if not, then I'll have to call him back. I didn't get stopped out. I closed that. Yep. Yeah, I closed partials just a bit too early there. Yeah, if I would have held one more second, I think, then
Yep.
would have been good.
I
You
seen
got
some
spread
people
into that
quaking too.
right?
Can we have the war room every night? Yes, you can. Yes, you can do that in your own home. And you guys can all set up a war room. I think that would be dope. Strange to me because I was in a buy stop, then it flew up. How did I lose? Oh, you probably got slipped. Probably got slipped OD. Yeah, I closed right here because that was my plan. I seen this wick to the left, and if it doesn't break this wick, it'll typically reject there. So, you know, it's a early trade too. So I wanted to close partials right there. And then 2 seconds later, we broke that wick and whoosh, shot up. So what are you gonna do? Can't do nothing about that. Yeah, can't do nothing about it. Almost missed the trade. Oh. I'll walk away for 1 second and miss that. What am I looking at now? Realistically? Why am I ever looking at fakistically? Realistically, all we need to see is a new closure. Yeah, realistically, let's take a look at the left-hand side. And if we get a closure above this zone here, then we can most likely take more positions for gold to fill that wick here. So let's see if we can close down here. That'd be even better. But if we do push through this range, and our next range is above 1965, 1966 here. Yep. Yeah, so we cruised through that range very nicely. Yeah, it's just an early trade. I mean, we're still going to be here all session long, so we got plenty of time now.
Yeah, people think you're just gonna grab your coffee and. All right, chat. It was a good day.
Shutting it down. Just me and the Zoomers are going to chill.
I mean, when a playbook setup appears, right, chat, it's our job to execute, and we did that here.
Yeah, I was planning that trade anyway from earlier this morning. We tried to attempt it. We tried to attempt it here at 6:30, but it didn't work out. Well, we never got a bottom wick, so And then yeah, and we took it again at 7. So as this trade was pre-planned, right? Just like every trade is pre-planned. But hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord now. And it is all free. We got a lovely community here. Absolutely amazing. Love to see everybody helping one another out and participating as a family. Oh, nice. Just recovered all my loss. There you go. There you go. We need more days like this one. Yeah.
They'll come. They'll come.
They'll be coming. So I said, gang, you just gotta sit on it, right? Sit tight, wait on things, let things play out in your favor, and execute when they do, right? Yesterday's trade was no different than this trade. It was a simple breakout, right? Very simple breakout. So yeah, that was one.
Playbook setup.
Yep, this trade, what do? We closed bullish above the range here, right? And then what do we do on the 30-minute? We closed bearish. So this was a 30-minute celery play here as well. The only thing I wasn't expecting was this steep bottom wick there. But once we broke the low and then rebroke the high, you already know that thing was gonna fly. So we can't really take a position right here because we have a resistance, right? If we closed here, we have a resistance here, so there's not much of a gap there. So let's see if we can get either a close above this level here or some sort of retracement to go back up. Cool. Let's take a look at pound yen as well because I know we closed there. All right, perfect.
Signals chat eating.
GJ, yo.
Yo,
What up, Bunk? What up, Bunk?
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Creating some sort of resistance, but I think I want to wait for the 1 hour candle here to pull back, and then we may attempt sells here at the NY Open, because the NY Open candle on pound yen is not as crazy as the NY Open candle for gold. So let's see what happens. I think I'm going to hold off on this 30-minute position and just wait for the 1 hour. Sam, you legit got 70 pips.
I know. Not like literally to
That
the. Well,
is
this is what's Yeah, do you see that? I just remember you saying, all right, this 15's driving up without a bottom wick. So, and then right as then I was moving my stops to break even. But like I was on the phone, so I couldn't see. Like, and then I set it down.
Yep.
Yeah, bro. You know how it went. Another trade though.
Yeah,
It's awesome.
the main reason I wanted to close that trade was this candle closing with no top wick, and then this one just opening up with no bottom wick. So
yeah, so it's like we needed it to drive, otherwise it's gonna come back to her. Yeah.
yeah, so that's what happened there. Yep. Yeah, typically if you have a candle with no top wick, there's not much range for the next price to go. Obviously that was something out of the ordinary, right? You, in hindsight, oh wow, yeah, look at that, beautiful, but you know, you don't see that happening, right? We didn't know that was gonna happen. So you have to logically do what is logically right to do in these situations, right?
Yeah, 1000%. Even if it would have done that after, if it would have came back and hit my break even.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yep.
I would have not have been sitting there going, oh bro, I could have missed 70 pips. Nah. All the plan.
Yeah, do you guys see me here like, oh my god, I missed. Back in the, man, 2 years ago, I would have been crying right now. Yeah, I would have been crying by what happened in London. I would wake up there for the New York session and be upset that I missed a move in London, like as if I didn't have to like sleep at that point. You know what I mean?
Yeah, gold's already moved so much.
Yeah, yeah.
I've done that too. Been there, bro.
Let's go here.
Damn, I missed the trade.
Yeah, the move already happened today, bro. Oh.
For sure. Chat, remember what my brother Nick says, right? Trades are like, there's another one coming.
There's another one.
Another one coming.
I ran me a bag. I ran up another one. Okay, cool. Sweet. So yeah,
Don't
that's
bring
the
me
trade.
my
Now
money.
let's just chill out for a bit.
How about that call last night?
Oh man.
Speech.
Hey,
That
who was in
man,
the
yo,
war room last
that
yo.
night?
man was spitting.
I actually recorded it for my own self too, yo. That was actually fire,
I
bro.
told y'all. I told you guys it wouldn't.
My
You
man
would not
Riyadh.
be disappointed. That man is on fire. Can you not tell?
Yeah, bro. I love what he's talking about with like the seeds, and it's like
Oh yeah.
you can look to like I'm just free game for the chat, free game for the chat. In case you weren't there, but you guys should definitely pull up to the war room, bro. It's the gems that are dropped there are crazy. Like here's one of them. So you can look like at an apple, and you can look and you can see how many seeds it has. You have no idea how many future apples those seeds are gonna create. So that's why whenever you're spreading those seeds to success, be plentiful. Throw them out there, bro, because you have no idea how many apples or fruits of your labor are going to grow. Right. So
Yeah, man.
little gem from the war room.
Oh yeah. Nah, the war room was crazy last night.
Dude, gems
Yeah.
after gems after gems, bro.
One of many.
No, I love Riyadh, man. He's special. He's anointed to do what he does, man. He's incredible. Incredible father, husband, entrepreneur. Amazing. Yeah, the pruning, man. It reminded me a lot of the valleys in my own life, right? And the pruning that
Yeah.
took place there. And just incredible how everything, reflects to life, and you just gotta trust the word. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this.
I love that too, so much too, because that like relates to something that I was listening to and I heard the other day, bro, about someone just read it in the chat, bro, but trust, yeah, no, you just said it, like just trust in the Lord, bro. Trust in the Lord. Like you can sit there and you can grind every day. You could ignore your family, your friends, you can start to neglect things that are really more important than, your work. So, trust in the Lord that he's gonna have your back, so that way you can still pay attention to the things that matter in life.
Yeah.
I love that, bro. That was gems.
Yeah, man. It was really good. It was very, very
I loved
good.
it all. I loved it all.
Mm,
Like God's the vine, we're the branches. The branches must stay connected to the vine in order for it to be fruitful.
Yes.
So if we want to produce fruit, we must stay connected to God, which is the vine, as being a branch, right? It's just,
Yeah,
that
you
was
know what's
awesome.
funny? I had no idea I knew he was gonna cover John, but I already had all that highlighted for years and years. This is a scripture and a piece of the word that I would go to all the time. All the time. And yeah, I just love what he was talking about the valleys, right? Valley equals value, right? In those valleys, that's where you actually become close and one with God, because you're in the depths, right? And you're tying in, you're trying to remain in him, and he is pruning you. So he's cleansing you. He's there's cleansing, there's conversion being done there. There's a change of heart. And sometimes that stuff is painful, right? In life, when we try to make these adjustments and the pruning, right? When you're pruning those plants and clipping them away, that hurts, right? And that can hurt in our own lives as well. And man, it was just incredible.
Yeah, Scott, that was my same reaction too, bro. Whoa, blew my mind.
Same.
Yeah.
Automatically produce
Yep.
if you're connected to the vine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
1000%.
I love that. Yep,
The-
you're
the-
automatically producing when you're connected to the vine, the grapevine, right? It's not something, and we've talked about this before. It's not something that you can pick up in the personal growth and development section in Barnes and Noble. It's not something that you can do or other men can do for you. It's a complete surrender, right? A complete giving it up to God, right? To go ahead and do those things in your life. So it's just beautiful.
And the other thing that's a little scary that was said in the Bible that few hide from or many hide from is all the branches that aren't connected to
Yeah.
the vine and they don't produce, they're gonna be cut off and thrown into the fire to be burned.
Oh
And
yeah.
that could be your soul,
Mm.
right? So that was even more scarier of a thing. But the beginning of fear is the beginning of knowledge. For the Lord, fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. So
I love that, John.
Yesterday it sounded
yeah,
like he was talking
Yeah.
directly to me. Yeah. I told you guys, hey, if you were praying for wisdom, you got it last night. Wow, look at the turnaround in this candle.
seriously.
And you'll know them by their fruit, right? Hey, where's Green at today? Where's Green?
I'll call out for him.
Greenery.
Greenery.
That guy TK.
Hey, what up, Shad? What up, Santiago? What up, that guy TK?
I feel like I didn't even say what's up to you guys.
Musa Mills in the
Sorry.
building. Someone
feel like
call
I didn't
Green.
either,
Marines in the building.
Got straight into it.
My God.
Joey Stu.
Joe Stewart's in the building. Bro. That was crazy, man. Literally kept one pip from getting stopped there, dude.
Seriously. It's crazy.
If I owned the broker, you guys would say I'd manipulate that. He's a live streamer. He has control over the broker. Hey, you can't please everyone, right? Can't make everyone happy all the time. Hey, B Smitty in the building. What up, B Smitty? Schmitty. It's a game of inches, baby. How much did I secure? Not that much. I think 750. Yeah, I think it was like 750. Yeah, let's look at today. Yeah, I closed the bulk of that position around 8 pips. Yeah, 750. Made like 3,000 on my other account also. Did my MT5 freeze? I think it did. I think it did freeze. Yeah, my other account I made right around almost 3K. We might have something on US 30. Oh. Woozamil. Yes, sir. Yeah, I mean, I did expect gold to continue down today, but after we broke those highs, you know, I wanted to see this candle break the highs, break the lows, and fill this wick here. Now that could still happen, right? That could still 100% happen here. We have come up, we've kind of ran into this rejection area on the weekly time frame, so it would not surprise me if we came down and broke this low here to continue down and have some sort of a wacky daily candle here. So the 4-hour candle is going to tell us a whole lot here today. A whole lot. Yeah, we'll look to take ourselves below. Let me just remove all this, right? We'll look to take ourselves below this range here. Cause what time is it? 7:40. Yeah, buys back above here now. Clean price action, and then sells. We can look to take below this support here or below here. It'll be pretty clean. It's got clean traffic to the left hand side. I just want a nice clean range, right? 40 pip range, 22 pip range. We'll see what happens at NY Open. We do have news here today, so we want to make sure we're aware of that as well. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4, 1, and 1. All right, cool. All right, good stuff. One down.
More to go. Yo, could you unmute Uncle Scalp?
Yeah. Uncle Scalp, you got something to say? What do you got to say, Uncle Scalper? What happened here?
I think you started lagging.
Whoa.
The stream started lagging for a second.
Yo, I think it's something with Zoom.
Did it just glitch?
My Zoom be lagging.
Hold on. The stream. Hold on one second. Let me get rid of Zoom real quick, and I'll send the link right back in.
All right.
Okay, we're back. Stream tripping. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, chat. They don't want to see us win. I think Pal's a little upset here today. Hold on one sec. Let me get Zoom back. Yeah, I don't know what that was about. One second, Zoomers. All right, we should be good now. Should be good. Okay, so let me just mark this off here. So yeah, we're gonna re-look to take buys above these levels here. Buys above here, so that's what, 1963, and then sells are gonna be below 1959 over here. Sells below. Okay, yep, that's what it's gonna look like here on gold for now. All right, everyone back in Zoom. Sorry, boys.
Yo.
Uncle Scalp, what'd you do? Hey, chat. Uncle Scalp came and broke the stream.
Crash the stream.
What's up with our uncle over here? Hold on one second, boys. Sweet. Okay, the boys are back. The boys are back. Nick, first time seeing you without a hat. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. Why is this not? Okay, cool. Let's move on to the next. Yes, sir. Let's move on. Nick got hair. Yeah, there you go. Solid hairline, dude. Zoom was quaking. Yeah, Zoom still is quaking. Hold on one sec here. I know it's got to be done. Share screen. Boom. Okay, now Zoom should not be quaking. Okay. What's up, Uncle Scalp?
What's happening?
How you doing, huh? How you doing? How's the weather over there in Staten Island today?
Garbage today.
Garbage.
Garbage.
Picking up a bacon, egg, and cheese. How you doing, huh?
Garbage.
Gabagoo.
The gabagoo.
Too much swag. Yeah. Yes, sir. You don't like sales below 61? We'll see. We'll see. We got news coming up here in just a bit, so it's a bit choppy over here. Much cleaner sales are below 59, in my personal factual opinion.
Oh, turn some lights on in that room, bro.
I know, I'm figuring that out right
You're
now.
getting me sleepy, bro.
Yeah, dude. You sound like you need some light. You say, "Oh, it's crappy. It's nasty."
I'm using a new camera right now, that's why, so.
Oh, really?
Oh, whoa, don't be putting no lights on.
Yeah.
like that,
Whoa, bro. I'm not.
Start
Didn't need to
confusing
flashbang me, bro. Right.
Johnny Trucker in the building.
Hey,
I
yo,
like that hat, bro. What does it say on it?
says authorized authorized dealers.
Oh, I like it. Hey.
AKA, we talk to JP on the line here and there.
Oh yes.
We do a little bit of chatting, a little bit of chopping it up with JP.
A little bit of chopping.
We ain't talking JP Morgan.
Oh no, the cell light. Hey, can we get some likes? Can we get to 500 likes here, gang? And if you haven't subbed to the channel and you want a chance to win a $100,000 challenge account giveaway, sub to the channel right now. That should perk your ears up. 100K challenge. Actually, we're doing the 25,000 accounts, right? For 4 different people. I think that's what we're pretty set on as a whole. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. We're also gonna give away 3 months of signals for free. So 2 people. So at 10K we're gonna give away the signals, and then I think we talked about 20K, right? It was gonna be, or we'll do it at 13K, because at 13K we're gonna do some new mods and all that stuff too. Yeah, sub to the channel for your chance to win. There's gonna be a lot of winners too, so normally we just do 1 or 2 winners. So this time we'll have 5 winners. Okay, yeah. See, I didn't want to touch that that 30-minute time frame there. I've been an atheist all my life. Might give the Bible study a try. Yeah, come on by.
Do it.
Come
Please
on by.
do it. Do it for Sam.
Sam was an atheist as well.
Yeah, I was.
Do it.
Let me tell you, I haven't had a bad day since that. You know, I come in the war room. I had a couple of what to say, questions. I had to question myself, my own soul, my own person. And you know what? If you can drop that ego and come in with like a willingness to make some change to your person, I promise you're gonna come out brand new person.
The boys are much louder than Nick. Not anymore.
Sure.
Not anymore.
And if you are an atheist, like, excuse me, just think about like a painting, right? Excuse me. About like the painting, like how can you have a painting without a painter, right? Just think about that.
I'm looking at this painting, but there's no painter. There's got to be a painter, right? How'd the painting get there?
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, just logical, you know? Someone had to paint it, right? Somehow, some way, that painting was put together. Incredible, right? Nick, what about your first giveaway? How are the winners doing? Oh, they're doing good. Laurent got a payout. Laurent got paid out on his challenge. The other winners for the signals are, I believe, doing really well also. And yeah, so that's been pretty cool to see the success there. And then I think the other winner of the challenge account also is doing really well. I think they may have ran into a hiccup or two, but learned from it and, you know, continuing on. Yeah, Scott. Islam is the only way, to be honest. Educate yourself in all religions. Read the whole book. Yeah, I actually read the Quran. Very good book, but Jesus is the only way, my friend. Jesus is the only one who said, I am the way, the truth, the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Nobody ever said that, right? Muhammad never said that, so. No one was bold enough or crazy enough to say that. So either Jesus is who he said he is, or he's some sort of pathological liar, right? But there's just too much evidence, man. Very much the same. You guys are so positive about life. Oh yeah, gotta be positive. Got to be positive. Oh look, another atheist. Yep, or former atheist. What up, Gino? Gospel's changed my life. Same here, brother. This is not a religious channel, guys. Hey, this is whatever I want to make it, right? This is my channel. This is God's channel here. I don't know who you are. Muhammad and Jesus, same person. Nick, I missed the gold trade? No worries. There'll be more gold trades. You ain't got to worry. Look at all these big candles here on gold. Right? No worries. It'll come back. Trades are like buses. There's always another one coming. Religious arguments incoming. 3, 2, 1. This is God's channel. Yes, sir. Yeah, I studied the Quran too. Yeah, I've studied a lot of religion. Oh, 15-minute on GJ. Let's see what we got going. So we do have the NY Open coming up here in just a few minutes. So it looks like this candle pulled all the way back at this point, all the way back. So let's see what happens. I like sells below this 1959 area on the 1 hour the best. So let's see what happens. That would also be very clean if the 4-hour candle starts closing back below this level here. Very, very clean. So we'll see what happens. Gold may want to continue up here today, so we're not just going to jump in on sells because we've got this massive rejection or anything, right? We need to make sure things start playing out, lining up with what we're looking for. But we do have the NY Open here in 2 minutes. We may get a position on pound yen. I think for gold at this point, we'll wait for the news to come out, and then we will take a look at what's going on. We trade already? Yeah, we took one trade here today.
Bro, my power went out. It like flashed off for like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Spirit of God's powerful in this house this morning. Holy Spirit.
Yeah, a lot of nice people. Either way, you guys are all a blessing, right? You guys are all created by God, and just happy to have everyone here. You know, I don't, you know, make any judgments. I'm happy to have you all here and talk about life and talk about trading and have a good time doing it, right? I think we could all grow. It's a really good community for growth, right? It's a great environment that that allows someone to come in here and just grow, you know, at their own pace.
Mm-hmm.
We all in, brother. Yes, sir. Disturbed in the building. Me no speak English. Which is a good for Forex price action. Oh, I like the Forex mindset. It's a good book. I was reading a little bit today as I was waiting for the stream to start. Patiently waiting. Gotta practice patience in all areas here. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ as well here today. So let's do a very quick breakdown on NAS 100. So looks like the weekly time frame has come up pretty nicely here. We approached this level of resistance and we did close below, but that's not to say that we're gonna stop there, right? We should still continue to go, and we're still very bullish. Daily candle did close bullish as well. Let's take a look to the left hand side, see what we got going on. We do have this level right here, and we did close above that. Did we close above here? No, we closed right at that resistance there. So okay, that's a little tough. We still are bullish on the day based off the previous candle. Just because we are approaching these levels, again, doesn't necessarily mean that we are going to reject. It just means that we are coming up to that area, right? Just to keep that in the back of our mind. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. 4-hour is consolidating, right? A lot of consolidation here on the 4-hour time frame. You got a support there, resistance up top here. That's the current range that we're in. We could adjust that a little bit, and if we're bearish today, I think we just wait for sells below this level here, right? On the 1-hour time frame, let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, I think it's a lot cleaner on the 1-hour here. So let's just hang tight. Let's see what happens. A lot of small candles. Let's see where the news is going to push price, and then maybe we can sample size some positions here on the NASDAQ today. But US 30 just ranging a bit. Gold should just range, you know, for the remainder of the half hour here. But did we close above? No, we closed bearish below. So remember what we were talking about, our position? That would have been the only way I would have closed. Like, this was our trading candle, this big bullish one. But if that candle would have closed back below this support, that would have been the only way I would manage that position there, right? It was either that or full stops. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys on how I manage risk. I know most of you guys do understand it, but you know, just in terms of the new people, we don't manage risk emotionally here. We don't manage risk impulsively here. We manage risk based off of candle closures and logically. And logically, in our position here on gold, the only way I would exit that position was if this candle closed below the range, like it did right there. I would have got out. But you know, luckily we pushed up before that. This needs to be a little bit lower too here. Oh yeah, wow, we still did close above here, so gold should be good to continue up. We may fill this wick during the news. Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me. How much time it from payout confirm to deal account? Usually it takes a couple hours from my Forex funds to deal, and then from deal to the bank it takes about 24 hours. If that's the way you're doing it. I'm not sure if you're going through deal or not. I am learning a lot in this community. Awesome. Peak Spanish? Did we check the NASDAQ already? Yep, that was it just there. Nick, please. Huh?
Nick, please.
Alright, let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, we need a steeper top wick there on pound yen. Once we get that and we break the lows, we're in. But we need to see a steeper top wick than that. Steeper top wick, my friends. It's only CAD that has SPI or CPI. No one cares. Yeah, exactly. My first payout's on the way to me. Hey, yeah, there you go. Yeah, I did a payout. I did a withdrawal here the other day. Withdrawal for 6,500 beans. 6,500 yesterday. Yeah, was that yesterday? Yesterday or the day before? Gold, yeah, gold needs a bottom wick. GJ needs a top wick. Can't do nothing without those, gang. What was I reading here? Hey, if you guys read the Forex mindset, you're a lot of the things that I say are gonna start to click for you. Yeah, you guys really got to read that book.
Oh yeah.
My Forex funds hit me with the
Fierce.
trading 10 days. Just opened a Forex mindset yesterday. Yeah, great book, man. Great book. Hey, shout out to 1,313 people today. Here, live. Hopefully you guys all took that trade with us. That was,
Gorgeous.
that was a beauty.
That was a juicer.
Yeah, it was. That's like the definition textbook juicer. Really
Yeah,
just starts
right.
flying.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Hey, if you guys want to join our signals room too, we're still doing the promotion. So any package of the signals that you buy, which are basically 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year, if you buy any of these packages, you get 2 months free. And then if you buy this 1 year signals package here, you get lifetime signals right now and Zoom access. Yeah, so those promotions will keep running. I took down the one-on-ones, guys. I'm very busy right now with the Time to Eat Elite group. So for those that have booked one-on-ones, we're all set for those, but there won't be any new one-on-ones for a little bit. And then the Elite program will probably open back up here in like late September, early October. Yeah, you can hit exclamation point signals and that'll pop up for you. How's the info looking on that Tampa meetup, brother? I know you're busy, just seeing if you can get an update. Yeah, I'll update you guys pretty soon on that. Let me get an actual date in the calendar and we'll go from there. So once I got a date, then I will go look for a place and we'll try and make it happen. Well, not try, we're gonna make it happen.
Got
How much is it? Free. Yeah, we're not charging for the meetup. Imagine that. Yeah,
Oh.
$100 to come meet me.
Yeah, $100 a head.
You want to shake my hand? $100.
Dinner's on you guys too. Come on, chat. You know I won't do you like that.
VIP pass. You get a picture with me.
You could pay extra and get the VIP pass, and then you get to take a picture with me, and Sam, and John, and Jose, and Uncle Scout.
Yeah, that's literally.
And then you can post it on your wall and say, "One day I want to be just like these guys." $199 a person. Yeah.
Austin said photos extra.
Don't miss out before it's sold out too.
Yeah. All limited seats only. I see Wix was giving you props this morning. Oh, nice. Dope. Yeah, shout out to Wix. Shout out to Wix and Don. Those guys are just amazing, man. Are they not? Can we get a W in the chat for Wix and Don? Throw some W's in the chat, because if it wasn't for them guys, I promise you, we would not be here on stream. Those guys inspired the living daylights out of me, man.
Absolutely.
Other people do charge for their meetups. Oh, damn.
Wouldn't be where I am without them.
Will you
So
sign
shout
my
out
arm?
Don and Wix.
Can you sign my arm? Yeah, shout out to
Hero of the
Riggs and
day.
Don. They're great.
Oh,
WDVS.
Yeah. Yeah, that you're looking at a product of their environment, right? I came from their environment. I came from Raja and Don, and those two just put together. Just this is what you see now, right? They've created a monster, and they've really helped create Time to Eat. They really have. They inspired the crap out of me, man.
and Don has dropped the gems all over me, so
Yeah,
grateful
Don.
for that.
Yeah. Yeah, if we had a top wick, we would have been in here on pound yen, but nothing to do.
I guess Larry.
Yeah, and yeah, Scott, Grateful Nick even turned me on to, yeah, I pointed everyone in their direction. Before I had a stream, I was telling everyone, just go watch them, just go watch them. Trust me, you'll be good. Just watch them, pay attention, take notes. They know what they're doing. And you know, I want to make sure I respect the system as well, right? You know, I know if I would have created like the celery and the onion and somebody else was using that, I would hope that they would respect it and run the process the way it should be ran, right? Run the strategy as should be ran, and not you know, cheap out on how good it is. And I hope I am showing you guys that is what I do. You know, I don't take it for granted what I learned from Don and Raja, and I don't want to, you know, in any way water down what they've put together, because what they've put together is just an incredible system and strategy that ultimately has paid the bills for me and my family now for quite some time. And you know, I respect that, and I would never try and diminish that or water that down. It's an honor to, you know, to trade this because of, you know, what I've seen them guys do. So entry on the break of the lows. Yeah, we could have done that. We could have entered on the break of the lows here. In terms of this position here with that small top wick. Yeah, if that was your position, that was yours. It didn't really.
Man, no entry.
Yeah, I like to wait for a nice, decent top wick. You know, something a little bit bigger than half a pip.
I got my setup. I didn't get an entry, so no execution for me.
Yeah, and you can't really compare the way me and Don trade now, because now we're a bit different, right? He looks at other time frames. I stick to the one that I pretty much learned from him over the course of the last 2.5 years, right? But he has moved on. He has made adjustments. He has found a better edge, you know, for him. So that really works out for him. So I don't think you can compare the two at this point, but if you look back to his streams maybe 2 years ago, like a year ago, then you'll see us doing pretty much the same exact thing here. But good question there. Yeah, normally I would do that same thing, like, but I did want to see a little bit of a bigger top wick than that. That's pretty much like no top wick.
Yeah, and I got the dirty celery. Like I was waiting for this on the 1 hour, so I wanted to see that play out on the 1 hour because it was based off the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Do it for me.
You're doing a great job, Nick. Hey, thanks, Tito. Can you explain celery play in the onion? Yeah, just go to ! Playbook and just watch the video there. It'll be a lot quicker. Today you made the 69th win of the year. Oh yeah, we're approaching 70 wins for the year here. Yes, sir.
We gotta do something dope on 100 win.
Yeah, we do. Maybe we'll get Sam to punch a hole in his monitor or something.
Maybe.
And I'll just
maybe
send him
for
a new
y'all.
one.
Yeah. Maybe for y'all, maybe for y'all. See if I can get my fist the whole way through it.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Not comparing, just trying to understand you and him. That's it. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, you are for me what Don was to you. Awesome, man. Yeah, yeah. Typically, I would say if it's a not that big of a top wick, then I would get in. But this one was really like no top wick, so that's not one that I really feel I could put my trust into. Maybe if it was a little bit steeper, but yeah. But way to catch on that too, you know. Shows me that you're paying attention. And guess what? People who pay attention get paid. They get paid. How long are you trading for, brother? Since 2019. Is lifetime stats on the top of the screen? No, that's just a year. Huh, imagine I only took 100 trades in my whole life. I don't think I'd be valid. I don't think I'd be
Would have only took like 30 trades in last year.
qualified to have this live stream going up.
Right.
I took more losses than you see what's up there in total. What is up there?
In a day.
75, about 90 or so. Yeah. Yeah, I took over 90 trades just in losses in the since 2019. Yeah. If you're in a trade and news comes up, would you close it out? No, I would just move my stops to break even. Oh, if you're a few pips in profit, yeah, I mean, I would probably just move stops to break even, maybe close it out, you know. I think that's what happened that last time, right? We got into a trade and took a little while and news came out and we ended up closing the position, I think. How Don reach a multi-millionaire mark? Probably just by being disciplined. Yeah, Don. Yeah, these are all stop losses that I learned from Don, right? Previous candle, how and when to use previous, how and when to use current, how to enter on the flip, how to enter on the break of the high, how to enter on the break of the previous or the current. You know, how to manage risk. These are all things I learned from Don. Donnie boy, yeah, I'm not that trader who's like, yeah, I figured this all out on my own. No, I'll tell you exactly where I learned from and give whoever deserves the credit. I'll give them the credit because
they deserve it.
They deserve it, yeah. That guy TK. What do we got? 8:16. Give me 1 minute here, chap. Be right back.
Comics in 3, yep. Usually we'll use current candle stops if the previous candle stops get too big. So usually big stops for us would be like 35, 40 pips. So if the previous candle stops over that, then usually we'll look to use the current candle. You're not that guy.
Yanosh.
Hey, Yanosh, what's up, man? How you doing? I'm doing great. Doing great. Ray Capital, there's no video on Nick's channel about that, but we used previous candle stops today because we could, like, it was only like 25, I think 20 pip stops.
20
right?
pips, yeah.
Yeah, so like I said before, like max stops for us is usually like 35, 40 pips. So if we got a previous candle stop with 20 pips, you know damn well we're gonna take that.
Yeah. If you can use the previous candle stops and they're not too big, you always want to kind of use those.
Yes.
Yep.
That's your most logical stop. You're always ahead in that trade.
Yeah.
With previous candle stops.
Yeah, man, and that's why we used previous candle stops on that last position, right? Because they were only like
20
18
pips,
yeah, less than 20. So if we got previous candle stops that are less than 30 pips, I'm gonna use those every time.
Yep.
Because that's the most
So-
logical stop.
Yeah. So of course that would be the stops we would always want on every trade, but if we can't get that for some reason, we go to the current candle and use current candle stops.
Yep.
Yeah. I love that. Someone asked a question, we all give the same answer.
Exactly. We all think alike.
Would
Yeah,
you
we all
look
trade the
at
same
that?
thing.
Let's scout in the chat.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm sure if me and Sam lined up our analysis every morning, it would probably line up to the T. Same
Yeah,
thing. Me and John
it
did
actually
that
does.
today and yesterday, lined up. Me and Jose do that from times, and me and Uncle Scout, right? So everybody's on the same
Nick,
page.
Nick, we're always spot on, bro. Well,
I think I have a little bit more experience than everybody except for maybe Sam. But other than that, those guys are pretty much all up to speed. Talking the same language. What was I gonna do here? Tito, good morning, bro. Wish you a nice day as well, my friend. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Tell him, bring me
you know
my
that's
money.
you. Yeah, tell him bring me my money. Yeah, I sent you that.
Tell him to bring.
Yeah, but so someone had asked me, I think it was last night. They were like, "Is it cool that if I ask questions to you?" Because sometimes I send them to Nick, and I can only imagine what Nick's DMs and everything looks like.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, I'm sure like any of these people here on Zoom, you have any questions that you want answered, like you definitely reach out, like on Instagram, Discord, whatever you want.
of course.
I love
Of course,
it.
chat. Feel free to ask questions.
Yeah.
Definitely.
When you
1000%.
message them, tell them
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
tell them bring out that whole ocean.
Yo, that was loud.
Tell
I
'em
could
all-
hear that through your
Tell
headset.
them, tell them I want all the knowledge. Yeah, my apologies. If it takes me like a day to get back to some of you guys, I do apologize. It's actually pretty overwhelming the amount of messages that just pour in on a daily
Well, and then this
basis.
is the thing is, you have people that are like paying, so obviously, like that's priority. You guys have to understand that as well. There's people that pay for next time, so if you can get a message back from him, it's awesome. But
Nick, you have any thoughts on VWAP? I've never used VWAP. I have a friend of mine who uses it and seems to like it, but I've never used it myself, so I don't really have much thought on it. Is it more risky to take trade without the top wick? Yes, because typically candles are going to come back up to create that top wick, right? A lot of these candles you see here, 85% of them have top and bottom wicks on them. So if one doesn't have that, a lot of times, no matter where the candle goes, it will come back up to create that top wick. So you never know when that's going to happen either, right? That can happen at any given time, right? That could happen pretty much anywhere, right? You get into this trade, we break the lows, it could happen there, it could happen here, it could happen here, happen here, right? It may come back up to create that top wick. So if a candle starts driving with no top wick, I don't get in it because I understand that that next top wick could be on its way, and if that's my stop loss, then that's not good, right? Comics open. Yeah, it already happened. Yeah, 4 hours clean, man. 4 hour closed above all that resistance, so that's why you're seeing this push. But we do have news coming in, and guess what? We have a seller replay here as well. So let's see what happens. See how we're just now consolidating for the news? So that's why we took that trade and just stay out now. Man, you always reply though. Yeah, I try and get to. I really do try and reply to everything.
Yeah.
I wasn't saying either. Like, I have no idea what his DMs look like. I have no idea how many messages or anything. I just was giving you guys another option, you know. I'm not saying nothing about anything.
Yeah. Hey, and another thing, public service announcement. I will never message you guys asking you to send me money. It's never gonna happen, gang. I don't think anyone online on the internet will actually ever hit you up asking for you to send them money to, hey, you want to link your money up with my money? I'll trade it for you. I'll give you this. You'll make that. That's not real. That's not gonna happen. Trust me. Those are scam pages trying to take your money. And I could understand if you fell for that in like 2017 or 18. But if you're still falling for that today, I mean, come on, gang. Just use the noggin a little bit, right? Use the brain just a bit. Why would I do that, right? And some of you guys are like, oh my God, man, Nick's hitting me up. Awesome. Yeah, he's telling me about a secret trade copier that he only wants to let a few exclusive people know about. Gang, red flag, red flag, red flag. Right? You got to know how to use, you know, takes a little bit of street smarts too, right? To live in this world, right? No one's just going to do that. Bring out the whole devotion.
Takes a lot of street smarts.
So 1 Bitcoin, I'll send you 5. Yeah. No way. Just sent you. Just sent you $300 in Walmart gift cards. Yeah, that's the greatest. Just go to a Western Union. Yeah. Is this legitimate? Yeah. Nah, that guy TK for sure. I'm still waiting for that Bitcoin you're supposed to send me. Yeah, a lot of the mods can help you out. That's right. That's true. Yeah, the mods are great, man. They really are. They all know their game too. Austin not online today? Oh, where is Austin?
Austin, where you at?
He's here.
What about
I know he is.
I didn't even see him in the chat.
I did.
Bring out the lotion. Mods in motion. What about the quesadilla robot?
Yo, Jess, it's Johnny Stew _
W for the mods, yeah.
I got a post coming. Don't worry. There's no post right now.
Yeah, don't worry. John's page isn't inactive. He's just inactive.
Yeah, I just haven't been focused on social media for the last year or so. 2 years. I don't know. But posts are coming.
But now he's bringing out the whole ocean.
Bringing out the lotion.
Hey, I got my headset coming today. I ordered the what are they called? The AirPod Max, or I don't even know, the headset that Apple makes. I got that coming today. I got some wall art coming today. I got some stuff for my desk. I got my cable for the microphone here. So we'll start bringing out the mic. I'm excited to use this thing, man. This thing sounds good too. You guys are gonna see me with the mic out now, like it's a live talk show. Cause that's what it is.
Yeah, I kind of want one too.
Literally.
Like a stand one.
It is what it is. Hey, it is what it is here today. Is he here today? Oh yeah, that's right. Today is Taco Tuesday, gang. I forgot all about that. I may have to. Nick's still buying
Hey,
Apple
Scott,
products.
Look, there's Austin. I see him.
Podcast by Nick. Yeah, I'm gonna be on a podcast. I think this week. Yeah, I was supposed to drive down to Naples, but I got busy, and I think we're just gonna do the podcast online. Hey, it is what it is. It's not here, man. He was getting a little upset on Friday. There he is. Yeah, man. I hope you're doing good.
It is what it is.
I only want. Yeah, these mic stands are cool. They are. What podcast? I forgot the name of it. It's a pretty solid pod though. Share the link to the podcast. Yeah, once it's all done and stuff, I'll let you guys know when it's coming out. Buy or sell. Lemonade. Just make lemonade for now. We got news coming up here in just 1 minute. So let's see how this 30-minute candle opens up. I got a feeling that we should go boom and fill that wick right there. Here it comes. Oh, this one gonna close with no top wick. Oh, and boom. Ooh, what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Turn around, break the highs, and fill that wick, sir. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
I only got 2 pip spreads right now.
Pumping, pumping, pumping. There it is. And we should reach this destination, no problem.
I have 6 pip spread.
Who are you using?
MFF.
Yeah, TFT is fire.
And there it goes.
And TP tapped.
You were correct, Mr. Nick. Mr. Nick was correct.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Of course he was.
That's yeah, that's the mic I do have, the Shure SM7B. Yep, that's this right here. Yeah, good mic, very good mic.
It sounds very clear.
Bro, I gotta translate that. I see 4-hour candle and then I don't understand anything else.
Oh, look at this candle closing no top wick there on the 30. GJ driving. Yeah, two candles with no top wicks there. So nothing we could do about that. Are you in a trade, Nick? No. Is the podcast with Calvin, the new trader? Oh, I can't tell you guys who the podcast is with just yet. I'll let you guys know. Good numbers on the CAD. Yeah, I see that. Negative against the dollar.
Ooh, what was the retail? Let me look. Ooh, we had bad numbers for USD. So gold should keep on driving up, just like it's showing us.
Driving up.
Driving.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for afternoons here. Let's let this 4-hour candle settle down, close up, and then we'll I really want to see the 4-hour candle close above here. If we can close above that resistance gang, we have super clean traffic to the left hand side, and this is the range that I would love to participate in today. Yep, so we'll wait for that. If not, then maybe the 4-hour closes back below the range here, and then we look to take sells coming down.
Later.
Okie dokie, Smokey. You're not that guy? What do you think about focusing on the 1 4-hour candles? Looking for our setups there. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, that's how Raja started out, yo. Where's the next 4-hour candle going, right? That's typically what we still do. Our whole strategy is based off of where's the 4-hour and the daily candle going. Right, now we look to the 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour for entries, and that's how we trade.
Higher time frame, we get our direction. Lower time frame, we get our entries.
Would you share about your risk management? Yeah, why not? So let's say, let's use a brief example here, right? Let's say that this candle had closed above the range and we were looking to take positions above 1966 here, right? So candle closed above. Let's just assume that we have previous candle stops, right? So this is what our stops are looking like. This is our position, blah blah blah, fine and dandy, TP on top of the world, like all the IG gurus, and then stop loss, you know, below the low here, right? So let's just pretend that this is our position here, and we're gonna get in, right? We get in on a simple breakout, and we get activated into this position here, right? So let's say price pushes up a little bit, and don't pay attention to current price, right? And then starts coming back down, right? So we get tapped into the position and we start coming back down. Now there's no opportunity to close this position, right? Just yet, unless you're doing that emotionally or impulsively. And one thing I learned from Don, which changed everything for me, was if we don't enter trades impulsively, then why would we exit trades impulsively, right? If we're waiting for candle closures before entering a trade, then why would we not wait for candle closures to exit a trade? And at first that didn't make sense to me because I was doing it the way I learned, you know, basically just closing partials at the break of the lower time frame lows or something like that, right? But one thing I noticed about that, yes, I was managing risk and my losses were just maybe a little bit smaller, but at the same time my losses were adding up. So there was more losses in my P&L. Yeah, they were small, but gang, they add up, right? So if you're closing, and that's impulsive exit right there, right? So what happens is, let's say this candle starts going down. There's no opportunity for me to manage this position yet. The only way I would manage this position is, number one, if it hits my full stop, or it can come all the way down to here and not stop me out, and then push all the way back up, flip bullish and drive, right? Just like you just seen, right? If you guys were here for our first trade here today, you guys seen price come all the way down to our stop loss and then flip and go bullish, right? And fly. So the only other way that I would manage this position is, let's say it comes all the way down here, not managing anything, not getting emotional. I'm totally fine with what I'm risking. If I take a loss, it's okay, right? But then price starts coming all the way back up. Now, if this candle closes below the range, looking something like this, then what I'll do there is I will close my position, right? So let's say it looks like this. I'll close my position right there, because if we're closing below, high chance we'll continue down, right? But if we close above the range, I will still hold on to this position. Right, if we close above the range like that, I would still hang on here, because now what are we looking at? Celery play, right? So if we closed above, I would hang on. If we closed below, I would get rid of it. And that's how I like to manage risk now. Because number one, there's been plenty of times where we could have took losses or put negative on the board, where price came right down to our stops but respected it, right? Because our stop losses are in logical areas where price should not break them if we're right about the direction of where price is going. So it's always good to have logical stops. It's always good to have previous candle stops when we can. Not all the time can we do that, but that's it. You know, that's the four ways in which I would take this trade. If we hit full stops, I'll get out. If we close below this range, I'll get out wherever that closure is. If we close above the range, I'll stay in. And then, you know, obviously if we come down, flip bullish, I'll just, you know, close my partials wherever I planned on doing that. So yeah, that's how I like to manage risk. Yeah, because there's no emotion there. There's no thinking there. It's very logical. And again, let the markets make the decision for you. Because
you cut some losses out and you let your whole trade play out too.
Yeah.
By managing risk like that.
Yeah. Kept the likes up. Hey, yeah, can we get 1,000 likes here? We have 1,000 people on the stream who have not liked it yet. So if you guys could like the stream, that'd be just awesome.
Hit the sub button too and smash that bell. Yeah, I love the
Bing.
bell. Yeah, ding. Maybe we'll have to get a soundboard for that.
Yeah, we should.
Definitely.
Let me get a bell sound. I gotta find a good one. I need like a crazy, like deep church bell. Like one that you can like hear it sounding off across the town.
Click the like button and turn your notifications on. Yeah, and if you haven't subbed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel today. You could be a part of us hitting 10K subs here today. How can you take 10 lots and close 9 of them? Oh, you just have to, I use magic keys. So that's how I do it. Thanks for explaining how to not use emotion. Yes, my pleasure. Nick, you're awesome, man. I schedule my work around the stream for a month now. Oh, nice. That's a winning mentality right there. Man, are you in a trade? No. Let's do this. Let's take a look at GJ. Look at that. No top wick and pulling back now. Pulling back. Bro, you should have way more than 10K subs. Ooh, yeah. Hey, we've only been streaming since February. Yeah, we've only been here since February. I mean, I've been trading for obviously 3 years before that, but yeah, I've only been trading since February here. And look at this. Man, this 4 hour is gonna come down. Are we gonna break the lows? What are we gonna do here? Say you take a 1 hour trade, but then the 30-minute closes back in. Do you manage then or only manage based off the 1 hour? That's a good question. Every time is a bit different. Like every trade is just a bit unique in its own way. But typically, whatever I'm basing the trade off of, so whatever time frame I'm taking the trade off and basing it off, I'll continue to stay on that time frame. So I won't worry about lower time frames doing whatever. I'll just stick to what's happening. Maybe if the 30 closes below, right? And like there's like NY Open coming up next or NYSE Open or something like that, then maybe we would look to close. But again, every trade is a bit unique in its own way. But typically, I would stick to the time frame that I'm taking the trade off of and managing it according to that time frame. But that's a good question. So Magic Keys is your own personal, personal script? I'm not too sure what you mean. Yeah, Magic Keys is this right here, what I use here. So there's settings in Magic Keys, and then you could just set whatever you want. So my position to close when I hit custom close, which is a button here, is 90%. Yeah. Wow, is this 4 hour gonna break the lows here and then come down and close below this level? That'd be nuts. So let's take a look at gold real quick and just see where we're at. Let's do another fresh analysis. We got 15 minutes for the 4-hour candle to close. So let's just get rid of everything and just chop it up again real quick, right? So you have the daily time frame, right? We did close bearish yesterday. Now this daily time frame did break the highs right here, right? It broke current previous candle high and these two highs as well. In terms of the weekly broke the highs here too. So these are the two time frames that are kind of trying to trick us up a little bit here. But the 4-hour, it did close above this range here, right? So one thing we could say is the 4-hour did close above. If the next 4-hour candle closes above this level, then we should be good to continue driving up, right? The next 4-hour candle, you should see a nice push up here to fill the wick. But that's if the 4-hour closes back above the range, which right now it's struggling, right? It's coming flipping bearish, back to bullish, breaking the lows, coming back up. So last 15 here, very, very interesting. But if we look at the 1-hour, we do have a support level right here that we may look to take advantage of. There's another support level right here, which I believe is the cleaner range to trade in, right? From here down to support at 1959. So that's probably the range I'm going to look to stick to if we can get closures below. So we'll see what happens here. We do have a lot of volume coming in at NYSE Open. So we'll either take our positions, you know, at the closure below here or, you know, below here. So that's basically what we're looking at this point on gold. We can't do a thing until this 4-hour candle closes in 13 minutes. So just wait on it. But that's where we're at. That's what we're currently looking at here on gold. That's what I'm currently seeing here on gold. And you know, these are the things I'll be waiting for. So sells below 1961, possibly, right? Not 100%, but definitely 100% sells below 59 here. So we'll see what happens at this closure, and then, you know, we could take buys coming up above 1963 here. Yeah, so that's the new and improved analysis. Let's clone them all. Clone them all.
I saw yesterday too that Funded Trader, I guess on Friday, is gonna make all the Royal Challenges,
Yeah,
unlimited trading days as well.
Sam, they said this Friday.
Yeah, on this Friday.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, they're still working on all the
Like
ins
the
and outs
ones that
of
are-
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
who's
That's
gonna get
awesome.
it, who's not gonna get it. I heard it was only gonna be for new accounts, so we'll see. And I could see them pulling that because they do a lot of promotions. So I could see
So
them
they want
just
you to buy a
saying-
new one, yeah.
Yeah, like I could see them being like, you know, you got on a promotion, so we can't do that. But we'll see. We'll see what
Yeah,
happens.
we'll see.
Just wait on it. Just wait on it.
It says on their tweet, it says we will also work out a plan to update Royal accounts.
Yeah, I've seen
to
that
have,
right here.
yeah. Oh yeah.
I posted it in the prop firm.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, right here. Right here.
I'm not that guy, bro.
We're
I didn't
working
see.
out the details for the Royal Challenge with the unlimited trading
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
It'll be finalized by Friday this week. We'll work out a plan to update the Royal accounts. So maybe that right there will we'll work out a plan to update the Royal accounts being purchased.
That'd be nice.
Okay, so yeah, so maybe they're only talking about the new ones, but
Yeah.
yeah,
If they could do the current ones, though. FTMO did also, or MFF did.
yeah, no,
Yeah.
exactly. I think they'll follow. They're trying to do everything that everyone else is doing. Hey, nice
Yeah.
job. Nice job there, passing your challenge.
Hello.
The time frame thing has never really been an issue for me anyway. So I mean, if they do it, great.
Yeah.
If not, it's really not a big deal.
Right.
It's clearly not the reason why traders are failing.
No,
Nah,
it's
They
not.
wouldn't get rid of it.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
they would not be doing that and making the
I
business
honestly-
model. You know,
I was thinking
weaker.
about it. Honestly, I feel like it might make it. Well, I don't know. It depends how you look at it. But there's no more free resets.
Oh no.
No, because you won't. Like there's
Oh, that's
no
right, because it's unlimited.
yeah.
No time.
So I don't know, that could bite you. But I think overall that's how it should be though. I think it should be no time limit. Because if you have like if you are a professional trader and you know you have a plan and you just stick to the plan and trade it like you should,
Yeah.
then
Through time, you
you know,
should have it.
shouldn't be, yeah, over time if you have a winning strategy, over time it's gonna play out.
Yeah.
'Cause that's all trading is.
Yep. Yep. I was waiting for them to do one of two things. I wanted them to see them either drop the profit target down or do the unlimited trading days. I think that was the next step in the prop firm industry, and it looks like, you know, the no trading days is what they're doing.
Yeah, it's awesome though.
Yeah, FTMO has no time limit either, which is pretty big, right, for them to do that. Yeah, FTMO.
I forget which company it was, but they're saying like the day or the week that they got rid of the unlimited trading days, like 400 accounts were blown.
Seriously?
So they're thinking that the unlimited days doesn't correlate with like more
People over
passing.
No, people are
like
gonna
they're
rush
still
the
gonna
process
over-risk.
regardless.
Yeah.
No matter what, people are gonna rush it because they have things to try and achieve in life, right? Anytime I ever blew a challenge, it was never because I ran out of time. It was always hitting the max daily drawdown. You know, so that's not gonna change. You know, and I'm sure that they don't see a difference, and that's why they're doing it, right? They wouldn't do something to lose money to better it for everybody else. That's
Yeah,
just
smart
not how
fun.
business is done.
Clearly.
Do we need a range 2 sell on US 30? Yes, we do. Yes, and the reason we need that is because we're bullish on the day. So we don't want to get caught up here, right? Yeah, one thing I've been looking into as well, gang, is that so you see how this candle has broken all the 4-hour lows? Do we still need a range 2, right? So this is just something I'm looking at. You know, whenever I catch it, I pay attention to it and see, hey, maybe, just maybe, we can actually avoid range 2s if the candle looks something like that. So that's something I'm working on right now and just kind of quietly sample sizing myself. So we'll see what happens there. So far, I've seen it work out a few times. I've also seen it not work out. So in order to introduce something, you need to really have data on it. And for us, I mean, we have to have like 80+% of the time, it's got to do what we want it to do, right? Otherwise, we just won't even, we'll just scratch it. How do you work out July's percentage? Just based off the trades we took in July. Do you think it's possible for the strategy to ever lose its edge? Anything is possible! Yeah, anything is possible. Unlimited time will boost their sales. Exactly. See, B. Smith knows it. That boy knows it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it is good overall. 100%.
Yeah. Sadly, unfortunately, gang, there's an 80-20 rule, and it's going to apply at all levels all the time. You know, Uncle Scalp asked me one time too, like, hey, you know, do you think, you know, the value that we're giving away is like, that's going to make everyone profitable? Like, you would think that. You really would. But at the end of the day, unfortunately, and I hate to say this, but out of 1,000 people, 800 are just never going to get it. You know, they're just never going to get it. So don't be a part of that, right? You have the decision to you know, to make of whether you're going to be a part of the 80% or the 20%. So, but regardless, just understand that 80%, unfortunately, they're never going to make it. And that goes for anything in life.
Yeah, 1000%.
You know, if it was that easy, just jump on a stream and trade with the streamer, man, you know, that everyone would be profitable, right? But how come everybody's not profitable? Because it's not about that. It's about you as an individual and as a trader and what's going on in your mentality, right? Everyone's in a different position with money. Everyone's in a different position in their finances. Everyone has a different relationship with money and greed and fear. And so, you know, that's what I thought too. Hey, I jump on Don's stream, profitable in no time. But I come to find out that I was taking trades that he wasn't taking, and this and that, and I had to deal with my own emotions and, you know, rewire my own mental framework, you know, in order to you know, move through the markets like he can. So there's still going to be a process. More like 98%, 2%. Yeah. Yeah, and guess what? When you get to the 80%, guess what's involved in that 80%? Or let's say you get to the 20%, right? So now you're a part of that 20% club. Guess what happens from there? Now there becomes a new 80-20 that sits in that 20%, and a new 80-20, right? And you just can get more exclusive and exclusive. So it's yeah, it's something that always needs to be strived, you know, for. And you know, excellence is something that you just strive for every day, right? It's not a one-time thing or a, you know, once in a while thing. It's an everyday battle. Look at this, man. Look at this. 4 hours ripping now. Yeah, 4 hour close above here, gang. We are flipping in there. Let's see, let's see. This is my third challenge. I'm down 3%. It wasn't because of time. I passed phase 1 in 6 days, so I was thinking I could pass phase 2 in 5. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you just want to let everything come naturally, man. That's going to be your best bet over time. Right? Because what we're talking about here, gang, we're not talking about making money in a day or a week. We're talking about making money in the long haul here, right? Do you guys want to make money for the week, or do you want to make money week after week, month after month, year after year in the markets, right? That's what I'm trying to teach you guys, right? That's why you see me, you know, maybe you guys get upset when I look at the position. I say, nah, man, we ain't getting in that position. Like, it's not our position. What I'm doing there is I'm trading with a long-term perspective, and that's what I highly recommend you guys do. And are you gonna miss some moves here and there? Of course, right? Of course, that's part of trading. If the move isn't your move, though, you haven't missed anything. Right? Of course volume's gonna run around and do all this stuff. Like, we're not concerned about all that. We're concerned about staying in the game for the long haul, right? For the long run, and making sure we're consistently profitable, you know, month after month, so we could provide and do the things that we want to do in life. Right? If you get one big trade, I mean, whoop-de-doo. You know, anybody could do that. That's why there's 2 phases in the challenge, because anyone can have an 8% month, right? But can you do it again and again and again and again and again and again, over and over again? That's where the real sauce is at. Say that again, Nick. That. I'm Dan. Hey, Dan. 4 hour closure on gold, looking good. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, 4 hour close above here, gang. We are looking really good, man. Really good. What's the handle of this Dan mentor you talk about? Dan? Hey, Dan. I love the guys that call Roger Roger. Hey, what's that Roger guy's name again?
Roger.
DVS's meetup, so I'm here, and this guy's on point. Oh, thank you, bro. Admire the discipline and good to see Don's influence. Yeah, Don influenced my discipline like nobody else. You know, that was the thing that was what I admired the most about him. I admired that man's discipline. To be willing to sit and let price go, that was foreign to me at that point. What do you mean we're just gonna let this candle go? Like, hey, if it's not our setup with our entry, then it's not ours. And that's a very simple way to trade, right? It either it is or it isn't. There's no guesswork. Most of you guys take all your losses because you're guessing. You're trying to just guess, make something up for your mind to okay, right? To okay the choice of getting in. And that's not how trading is done. That's not how long-term winners play the game. Yeah. One big trade for me and I'm good. Yeah, hey, Austin. Winky wink, bro. Winky wink. Your voice is better than Raja and Don. Oh, thanks. Roger. Roger that. Thanks, D. Raj. Push-ups or sit-ups? Push-ups. If it's not my trade, it's not my trade. Yeah, one of the coolest things for psychology that Don ever taught me was ID. If it drives, it drives. Right? That was one of the breaking points for me. Like, whoa, wait, what? If it drives, so you're telling me that if this candle just goes, you don't care? And I remember he would draw the candle up. He'd say, I don't care if this candle goes all the way up here. If it doesn't hit my... And I was like, whoa, dude, that's discipline. And I admired that from the jump. I'd say Roger's voice is bad. Roger got the best voice. Yeah, I love that dude's voice. Roger and Dan. Nah, I love that dude's voice, man. Alright, gang. So yesterday we entered at 9 a.m. because last week we had every move just happen at 9 a.m. And then yesterday just straight slapped us in the face. So I think today what we'll do is we'll take a look and see where this bottom wick goes to, right? We normally wait for 9:30, but I've been noticing that the past 2 weeks we've been having a lot of really nice moves at 9, right? So that's why we attempted that position yesterday. I thought that was a great move to take, right? We finally got that close below, and the probabilities just weren't, in our favor at that point. But I want to see this bottom wick form up here, and then we'll look to take positions in 15 minutes or in 30 minutes here. Not my pips. Yeah, that was the best. Not my pips. If it drives, it drives. Mouse hovering over the buy button. Yeah. I'd be like, oh man, I don't know about this YouTube guy now. Yeah, we need range 2 sells below, but we're gonna keep an eye on this because remember what I was talking about the 4-hour breaking all the lows here. So, can we wait, or can we avoid waiting for a range 2 if the 4-hour breaks the lows and closes below the zone, right? These are things that I'm looking at right now just to improve our system and our strategy just a little bit. But I can't take this position right now. I'm just testing it, so I still need to wait for a range 2 here, or a celery play, right? Or this candle right here closes very weak bullish, and then we enter our sells on the break of the lows on the next candle, right? Something like that. Just wait on it. Yogi here. Yogi. What slippage you use on trade copier? I have no idea. Gold moves happen 8:30. Yeah. Bro, take impulsive. Don has the discipline every trader should have. Yeah, he does. Yeah, that's again, that's what impressed me the most. And when I read this book, when I read the Forex Mindset, I had a lot of confidence in following him because he checked the box that almost every trader, the traits and the habits that he was displaying were the traits and the habits that this guy was talking about, and that I found common in most highly long-term consistently profitable traders. So I knew that if I could work on that we would be golden, and we did. We did the work. Yeah, so US 30, just wait on it. Gold, let's see what happens. Smelling a 930 seller here. Lots on US 30. The way I'm going to be trading US 30 here, gang, is very simple. I'm going to set my magic keys for risk percentage, and that's how I'm going to trade it. So I'm probably going to risk 3% per trade, and yeah, although other than that, I don't know how the lots work. What's the book called again? The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. If it droves, it droves. Facts. Hey, DL, were you there last night? Did I see DL there last night? We had a lot of people. We had 70 people there last night. 70 people at the war room last night. Absolutely incredible.
Oh, shout out everyone who was there.
It's growing, baby. Points and pips, yeah. US 30 they call it points. Point. You can set magic keys by lots too. Yep. Yeah, I use lots right now. So right now I use fixed 10 lots here. Fixed lot. Use the 10 banger. Have you ever read the Candlestick Bible? No. Is the War Room free? Absolutely. It's a free gift given by God. Nick, the Bible study was amazing. Sandman, glad you liked it, bro.
Shout out Sandman.
Shout out Sandman for being there last night. You guys entered anything? Yeah, we did earlier, but that's it. Johnny boy.
Hey, Bradley, what's good, brother?
Yesterday we bought into a resistance. I didn't buy anything yesterday. I sold gold yesterday, right here. You in a trade? Nope. Thanks for the call yesterday. Oh, Sam the Goat was on the call yesterday too. Oh, awesome. Oh, wow. Yeah, there was a lot of people. I didn't really get a chance to look and see who was there, but amazing. How many trades do you take per day? Depends on the day. Sir, you used 3% risk, but when you lose 4 trades, you lost the count because 12% overall. Please explain. Huh? Huh?
We don't lose 4 trades back to back to back.
Oh yeah, that's like foreign language to me. Sorry, I didn't really understand that.
Yeah, no. I think that's what he's asking. I think that's just what it is.
Yeah, I think we only lost 2 trades or 3 trades in a row, and that was in February, I believe. Let's take a look.
Yeah, he's saying if we lose 4 trades in a row.
I don't even think, other than that, I don't even think we've taken 2 back to back.
Yeah, since February, right?
Yeah.
So June we did, June was basically almost perfect. We only took 1 loss here in June. 10 pip loss, very small loss. So there was nothing in June. May we took 1, 2, 3, 4 losses, but none of them back to back. April we took 1, 2 losses, but yeah, nothing back to back there. March we took 3 losses, but again nothing back to back. Yeah, I think February we took these three losses right here, and that was it. Yep, that was it. That was it.
You know.
Yeah, no, she knows.
But yeah, I mean, technically you're right, right? If you take 4 losses in a row. Why didn't you enter on the next candle making the lower wick? Oh, I need to wait for the break of the high here. Yeah, I want to see a 30-minute celery play here. That'd be just perfect. What do we got here to the left? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the 4-hour, right? What can we anticipate here? You got clean traffic. I mean, this is going to probably be target 1 right up in these wick ranges up here, which is like that wick fill. And then we're pretty clean all the way up until 1980 here. So looking good, looking good. Break these highs, should drive. We got about a 30 pip vantage point here today, and then a full TP for about 100 pips. So just wait on it.
My dab wasn't working in the chat, bro.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Lemon's coming up, lads. What's a lemon?
9:30 coming in hot.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Oh,
I was there. Oh, Xavier was there. Nice, dude.
Did you sound off the bell?
Yeah, did you hear that?
No, but they're quaking all of it.
When you're in a losing trade, is there any risk management system? Yes, there is. Yeah, go back on the stream a little bit. You'll find it back there. When do you determine if you have a entry on the break of the flip? Current handle. Oh yeah. So in this position, I would enter on the break of this current candle. I wouldn't enter on the flip, right? Because this can flip, not break the high, and flip back bearish. So in this case, I wouldn't enter on the flip. Now, if this candle, let me draw it out here, right? If this candle looks something like this, where it came all the way up, had broken the highs, I would enter on the flip, because that's the only entry you got now, right? You can wait for the highs to break, but you can enter on the flip, especially if you're bullish on the day and you're closing above and all that good stuff. Then by the time this candle, you know, breaks the high, you're already 15 pips in profit, right, to continue up. So that's the way I would enter on the flip, or if we didn't have a top wick here. And then the other way is just very simple, you know, like let's say this, where is it? Yeah, let's say like a candle like this one, right? If that wick is just a small wick, then I would just wait for the break of that high. So it all depends what the candles close and what they look like. Oh, the one day we don't get in at 9, is it gonna run? Or the, let's see. Four losses in June? No way. June we only took 1 loss, I think. Yeah, just 1.
some 0.
Yeah, some people didn't even take a loss on that trade. You guys all remember what happened to me on that trade, right? I had my percent. So I entered the trade. It was a quick trade, and I didn't move my TP yet or my stops. I just got in, and I wanted to move my stop to previous candle high, but I noticed, and we'll take a look at that here, that that my lot size had been right here 3,900. So I had a 35 lot open here by mistake. So that kind of gave me a little bit of a bigger loss than expected. But a lot of people, and that wasn't even the legit stop loss, right? The legit stop was above the previous high, which I wanted to do. And you guys remember I was all confused for a minute. I'm like, wait, hold on. This is not making sense. I'm down $3,000 right now, and I'm only down like 6 pips. What's going on here, right? And then I looked, and the lot size was all, you know, discombobulated, and I was like, uh-oh, whatever. So basically just crossed my fingers and hoped for the best at that point. But 10 pip stops were hit. But I don't think many of you guys took that loss. You're in on gold? Oh. Okay.
I mean, I see a resistance to the left. Look left.
Looky.
On the 1 hour.
Yeah, 30 close above there would be just perfect.
That's what we need, 930. Closure above.
Perfecto.
It's super clean above there.
Let's get rid of all this. I don't like having too many lines up here. If it drives, it drives. Yeah, gold pushing. What are we waiting for? I couldn't even block him faster. Oh, damn. They buying.
We're waiting for our setup, chat.
34 lots, yeah. Damn, son. Yeah, that was the 34 lot loss. Yep. Yeah, just wait on it. 15-minute candle closed. Still got no bottom wick there. It'd be nice to get a would you look at that right here, right? Get a would you look at that, and yeah, this candle popped right away in the first second here, so that's always a bit sketchy. With no bottom wick. Gold clean to drive up. Yep, looks good. You waiting for the next candle, or are you off the rip? Like, no, yeah, we're just gonna wait. By all means, if you guys are worried about volume and don't want to miss the move, take it. Simple, right, C4? Simple. Yeah, if this is your position, gang, go right ahead. Take your position here.
Do you? That goes back to you're the one trading the account and not Nick.
Yeah. Lemons coming up. Hey, lemons. We got lemons. Got a new track coming soon. DJ Stu, 34 lots. It's about a young man's journey to understand the drawdown. Yeah. That's funny. Oh yeah, I see it, Tito. I see it. I love the comments. Hey, can I enter now?
Why are you asking Nick? Like,
hey, YouTube guy, can I enter now? Yeah, just wait for the candle to close, man. Simple.
dude, what we're waiting for right now, chat, is our playbook setup and our playbook entry. We ain't doing anything until we get that.
Doesn't that make trading so simple?
Right? See, you guys make it very complicated for yourself, but it's really all that. That's all it is. Like, pretty much.
Yeah. Hey, for those who bought signals here today, just make sure to message me on Discord, please, so I can get you into the signals channel. Signals channel took the first loss in like 2 months there yesterday. Yeah, but for those that did purchase, don't forget to message me. Yeah, let's see. This 15 gonna make a bottom wick? Yeah, it made a bottom wick there for us. Yep. Perfect.
It's gonna play out nice.
Perfecto. Whoever caught the 70 pip first, yeah, that was a nice one. Hello, sir. Thank you for your work. Sell under US 30. Oh, let's take a look at US 30 here. There's our bottom wick, gang. So that's why we always wait for bottom wicks. Oh, look at this. Yeah, celery play here. We may take US 30, man. Can we get our first trade off on US 30 as a celery play? Hey, yo. Oh, I'll be excited about that.
We needed that range too, right?
We did.
Hell yeah, but that celery would be fire.
Just wait on it.
I'll swap these signals for pizza. Can we pay in crypto for the signals? No, not right now. No, but you guys still will get the 2 months free. So any package of signals that you buy, you'll get 2 months for free. So if you get like the 3-month package, then you'll get 5 months. If you purchase the 1-year package, you are a lifer. You're a lifetimer. And you get to come on Zoom with us here.
Damn.
Yeah, just wait on US 30, gang. Don't jump the gun here. Same thing with gold. Just wait. You guys gotta learn to wait.
Crucial.
Start practicing waiting in your life outside of trading. Start practicing how to be patient and wait. And if you can't do it, here's something that I did. Sit yourself in a room, in the middle of the room, find a doorknob and just stare at the doorknob. And if you can do that for 10 minutes without any interrupted thoughts or any anxiety, that's how you know you're developing patience. Why don't you go to the Miami meetup with Don?
Chat,
I was thinking about it, but I'm all the way up in Tampa, so it's a long ways for me.
Yeah, chat, you gotta remember who you are as a person is who you are as a trader. So if you ain't patient in trading, I know for a fact that you ain't patient in life, and you're a very impulse decision maker, you know?
Yeah,
so if you want to switch up some of your habits in trading, like Nick just said, start switching up some of your habits in life and practicing it.
Yep. Yeah, if you are that person that curses people out, gives people the finger, having road rage and all that stuff, chances are you're not gonna be solid long term. If you're the type of guy or girl that just kind of throws their clothes on the floor and doesn't clean up, you're probably gonna struggle a little bit. Right? If you clip your fingernails and you don't pick up the clippings, probably not gonna last.
You can't stay disciplined to a diet, probably not gonna stay disciplined
If
to
you can't
your
walk by the donuts and not
plan.
grab one, it's over for you. If you spill a little bit of milk, you know, you ever have some like cookies and milk or something like that, and then a little bit of milk spills on the counter, and you walk away and you don't clean that up, chances are you take impulse entries in the market.
So true. This
You're
is
not that
so
guy.
true.
Imagine having road rage. Sam's
Sad.
like, oh shit, yeah, I got some road rage.
Nah, that's not true. I did not get road rage. Someone asked me that the other day. They were like, we were just sitting there and they were like, yo, you look at this guy. He's not bothered. I'm like, what am I gonna do, bro? Get out and drag him out of the car and
Right.
cause a whole scene? Like,
Yeah.
Right? Like,
Hey, you don't know too. These
Six.
days, you may not want to do that, man.
no,
You might
that's
just
the thing.
want to
Yeah.
sit back, chill out, leave your seatbelt on,
Let
and
him do his
and
thing, bro.
go to
Yeah.
your destination. Shit,
Nah, I
man.
don't like the road
be
rage.
safe.
You've thrown one punch in your entire life, and Conor McGregor is getting out the car. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Yo, man, why'd you cut me off? Dude's gonna cut your leg off, dude. Dude's gonna kick your leg off, like Sebastian. They'll kick your leg off. Yo, you don't know who you're messing with these days, man.
Seriously,
You
bro.
got these guys training UFC, mixed martial arts, That dude chop your head off real quick with a ta! Done. Leave you on the side of the road. Now you're really late to your destination. Dude come out, put you in some leg lock. Just snap your kneecap in half and just jump back in his car and keep it moving. You don't know, man.
Even worse,
Never
brother's
see him
got a
ever
block
again.
on. Like,
Yeah, he'll smoke you and then leave you, bro.
Cops show up. What happened? I have no idea. I was driving, and next thing you know, I woke up here on the ground. Not too sure what happened.
That's so true.
Yeah, don't get shot over some road rage, man. It's not worth it. Dude, man, pulls out a gun. Now what? What you gonna do now? Exactly. All that yapping. Yeah, glad we didn't enter gold just yet, right?
all that yapping because you didn't think before you speaked.
And guess what that is? Emotionally hijacked, right? Some of you guys get emotionally hijacked. If you want to learn a bit more about what that means, read the Forex mindset. Read it.
Also, a lot of traders also don't speak, or they don't think before they speak in trading as well. Right? It all works in the same thing.
Getting mad knowing you ain't got them hands, yeah. My man just jumped right over you, swing around you, put you in a headlock. Your head turns blue. What are you gonna do then?
Less than 20 seconds. 10 seconds.
I love how they don't give a crap about intersections in NYC. Oh yeah, what are intersections in NYC? That's right. Yeah, man. I messaged you on Discord and Instagram after purchasing signals. Yeah, just send me a message on Discord. That'll make it easier. I could understand the road rage until we got open carry. Yeah, yeah. You gonna learn today. Yeah, everybody got guns out here. A man's wife got killed the other day because he flipped off the driver. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Is that really worth it? So anyways, that goes back to just being impulsive and getting emotionally hijacked and not being able to make good, legit, logical decisions, right? My mom said, be careful, there's crazy people outside. I said I am that crazy. I am the crazy people. Yeah, message me on Discord, please. If anyone wants to enhance discipline, train in a martial art. Yeah, no, for sure. What a great sport. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I love that sport. I actually want to get into that. Two things I want to get big into with some of my free time is marksmanship and MMA.
Marksmanship, like with rifle or like with
yeah,
bow
just
and
like
arrow?
handling guns, you know, being able to be very skilled with a gun.
I love mine.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now you know how to fight and you're strapped. Sheesh, you're chilling.
Yeah. You're a walking weapon.
I teach my daughter all that stuff too, and my son. Just get them all in there.
For sure. Got to teach your wife, your kids, all of that,
bro. You need to, especially like I don't know, see what's going on and see what's going on out there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So dude got knocked out with a twisted tea bottle. Oh damn. Okay, we got 3 minutes here. Let's see if we can get the closure we're looking for. We are looking good. Let's lock it in here. What the position will look like here. Let's just take a look at this bottom wick. So we got about a 34 pip bottom wick, 35 pip bottom wick here. That may be what we're looking at for stops. Or we could use the potential 15, right? 15 minute, which is about 27 pips. So yeah, we'll probably stick with the 30-minute low here. If we get a closure above that level, and we'll take our buys going up. Looks like 1980 is pretty promising here based off the 4-hour time frame. If we do break those highs, we shouldn't have an issue, you know, tapping into those areas here. So
chat, anyone who's stressing right now, or thoughts are going everywhere, the charts are going to give us all the answers we need in a minute and 30 seconds.
Yep,
Charts
your
are going to give
answer's
us all the
coming.
answers we need.
Why not make the signals channel automatic? Yeah, I'm looking into that. If you have $5 and Nick has $5, he has more money than you. Nick catching Tom Brady. Every time I feel impulsive, I do some push-ups. Chest increased massively in size over the last month. Hey, Kingston, W. All right, let's get this thing set up.
Stuff.
Yeah, 1980 looks pretty clean here. Let's see how this candle closes though. "22 seconds." Yeah, John is right too. We do have a very strong resistance right here as well. Will we get a close above? Oh, nope. No closure, gang. No closure. 15 close bearish. Yep. Let's see. If we respect the lows, break the highs, possibly we can count on volume to drive us up. If not, then we're going to have to let this one go.
US 30 down.
US 30. Oh, damn, right away? Okay, that was going to be our first position there, but that happened very quickly. What was that about?
Mad quick.
That's that dirty 30 volume.
It's that dirty 30.
That was quick.
That's the NYSE Open right there. Okay, we're
That
going to
is that
respect the
dirty,
low
dirty.
here. Nope, we broke the lows. So yeah, I'm not going to take this position here. We did create that resistance. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes, and then we'll look to see where we're at. Yeah, you may have your rejection here. Fake out back into the range. So we'll see. We will see. Florida man is afraid of Nick.
Nick is the Florida man.
Curious to hear why you didn't take it off the 4-hour. Yeah, because I understand that volume comes in again at 9:30, so I never like to jump the gun on the 4-hour here. Never like to do that, because remember, this is a 4-hour candle, so it should take a little bit more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes to make a bottom wick, and we see this happen over and over and over again. So that's the reason why I don't like to just jump in off the 4-hour, because it can turn around on you, right? Pull back and create that steeper bottom wick. And now we're breaking 15 lows, we're breaking 30 lows, we're breaking not 1-hour lows yet, but 15 and 30 lows have been broken. So saved ourselves a cool loss there. US 30's bleeding. Yeah, I told you guys that celery play would have been a good one. Oh man, what's that? We would have, yeah, we would have definitely closed partials there. Yeah, 33 points, hell yeah. And now it's popping back up. Interesting.
Yeah, we would have been easily BE by that wick fill.
Yep. Gold going downtown.
That resistance.
Wow, gold's on crack. I overslept. I'm trying not to be emotional. Please, please, take a deep breath. Stand up, stretch out, and take a deep breath. The worst is to just wake up, roll out of bed, and start off emotional. That's how you just ruin your entire trading day. Trust me when I say this. Take a breather. Go. We're not taking any trades right now. Right? You got at least 10 minutes. Take a chill pill. Get your face washed, brush your teeth. Just relax. Come back, and you'll be a little bit better emotionally. Right? Go out and come back again. Remember that? Leave the door and then come back. Let's do this all over again. Take a chill pill.
We are cruising, chat. We're cruising through the session because the playbook gives us all the answers we need.
Yeah.
It's our guide.
Yeah, it is. Let's do this.
Do some push-ups.
Give me 1 second here, chat. Let me just do something.
Yes, the strategy works on all asset classes. Yeah.
Price action is price action. Candles are candles.
One sec. Okay. One more, or two more.
Yeah, if we were in US 30, we would have got it hit at B by now. Sheesh. USD.
Ooh.
Oh. You can't say it was a GJ salary just because you gotta look left, right? If you look left, you'll see a bunch of support areas and a lot of chop. And you want the playbook setup, yes. You want the entry, but you also want the clean candles to the left. Right? You gotta make sure there's no chop to the left.
Okay, gold pulling back. So although we broke 30-minute lows, 15 lows, we never broke 1 hour lows, we never broke 4 hour lows, right? So let's just sit tight here on this 15 close and let's see where we're at.
Just wait on it.
Hey, yo, shout out to Donald. Pass his funding account. Beautiful, man. Congrats. W for Donald.
Let's go, Donald.
That's Donald.
Beautiful. Love to see that.
I've seen his name for a minute now, so
yeah, well deserved.
Yeah. Yep, exactly, Daniel. Exactly.
Oh, nice. Jeanette, too. Congratulations, Jeanette. Just passed my first challenge today. Awesome job. Dreams into reality.
I see that in Discord.
Beautiful. Yeah, Discord is moving, man. Discord's got a life of its own.
Let's go, Donald.
Okay, here comes the 4 hour candle coming back up again here. So just hang tight. All we need is a support.
Sense. Everything's coming to us.
Remember, we're waiting for the closure above here. We did not get that. Yes, it was only ½ an inch, but we still can't take that. So if we do get a close above there, now guess what? We officially have a support that's formed, right, for price to continue moving up. So if we could support, create that support right there, close above that range wherever it is, then we could look to take our buys coming back up. Yo,
wait on. Shout out to Mitko in the Discord. Yo, if you're in here right now, Your thing is fire, bro. That is so fire. He
What?
just passed a I think it's 50K, but he replied to a message he had a month ago of him when he just got the account. It says, "Do you think it'll pass with Nick streams?"
Oh,
And then
nice, dude.
and then if you go to the today, it shows him passing it. Crazy. Shout out Mitko. That was fire. I like seeing that.
Stuff, buddy. No one could have saw that except yourself. Shit. You gotta be the one.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Or it's a 5,000 account. Yeah, but still, no matter what the account is, doesn't matter.
If you can grow an account up to 8%,
Oh, yeah.
that is
The amount.
you're doing very good. You're trading
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, the size of the account doesn't matter.
Never.
And now you've proven yourself that you can do it.
Go.
So, you know, once
Scale
that
up.
payout hits or whatever, yeah, just like John was saying, scale up. Scale up. Because now you know you have the strategy. You know what you're doing. So what's stopping you?
Okay, yeah, just don't jump the gun. You see how those candles flipping bullish, bearish? We really need a closure above here.
And chat, we get this breakout on the 1 hour. That's gonna be the 4 hour breaking highs, driving up, right? It's all gonna make sense with the higher time frames as well. All lines. Each time frame is its own chapter, and the whole market is a book of stories. We just gotta put the chapters together to make the story.
Greenery. Greenery working today.
Yo, let's go, Nasty. Yo, that's just one more high probability trade setup. That's all it is.
Next best trade, exactly.
Yep, that's all it is. Just wait on it.
What it means to pass a challenge naturally, or pass a funded challenge naturally, means executing your playbook setups.
Yo,
Your best trades, executing to your plan on every trade.
Another one.
Another one. Hey guys, don't you just hate when your friends get Androids
yes.
and then all of a sudden like it's green typing? Come on, man.
Like, my mom is like the only one she's just like, I don't like iPhones. I'm like, why?
Oh, target tapped. Yeah, nah, it's they usually always go back to iPhones though.
Our
She's
Androids
never had one. She's like, I don't like them. I'm like, bro, how you don't even have, you never even had one. How do you even know?
Okay. Yeah, if we can get a close below there on pound yen, then we could look to take advantage of this clean range to the left here. Yep. Yep. So we'll see.
Just wait on it.
Oh, 50 pip range there on GJ too. Not bad. Not
EJ,
bad.
first baby.
Oh, US 30. Ho ho ho. Late. Insane.
Yeah, I seen some people saying that we would have got stopped out and took a loss on that. We would not have. That thing shot down 30 points. We'd have definitely taken partials, break even with runners. Yeah.
Definitely. Because at least on my advantage point would at least been that wick fill.
Yeah. Like by then you should have definitely been break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, we would have secured partials on that, I believe. Right in this area,
100%.
right here.
Yeah.
Right there. Boom. Yeah, we would have secured that.
Oh yeah.
That would have been our partial TP right there on this trade.
Yeah, there's no way
Salary
we
would
would
work.
a loss on that though. Yeah.
Going back to gold. Oh, 1 hour celery play. We'll see. You looking at the 15-minute at the moment? I am, but it's not looking pretty. Up 100% today. Wow. That dude's 16. You were up 2.4% yesterday. Lost and 2.4. Huh? Daniel, what's up? Took another win here today, pal. You must be a little late. Oh, 1% from passing phase 1K. Nasty. Nice.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
15-minute closed. 15-minute closed bearish here. So not going to touch that yet. Look, if we get this support on the 15, we're also going to get a support maybe here on the celery play here on the 1 hour and a closure above on the 30-minute. That's going to be best, right? Because right now, if price does want to go up right now, what it's doing is it's just stopping people out, right? It's tricking up people in the markets, and then a closure above here would indicate that price should push up. Add Android notifications. Thank you, Green. Appreciate you, sir. Droid. Yo, you bugging. Droid be doing a little troll. We'd be doing a little trolling on the droids. Just a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Your stream has a lot more delay than usual. Yeah, I think something happened. Remember when the stream kind of like blacked out? I think something might have happened there with OBS. So I think that might be the reason. Hey, yo, can we crack 10,000 subs here today? If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're doing some giveaways here, and we're looking to help some of our subscribers out. Chat stingy with the likes today. Yeah, usually we got 1,000 likes by now. Oh, nice. Passed my funded challenge. Beautiful. Man, so many people passing their funded challenges. It's insane. You plan to automate your signals? Yeah, pretty soon. Do you have any advice for me? I was up 2% yesterday and lost it all with another 2%. I was sticking to my plan. Yeah, just next trade. Next trade. Don't try and get that back. Don't try and revenge trade. Don't do anything other than you would normally do, right? Just show up again. What did you guys see yesterday, right? You guys see me. We took a position, a playbook position that we always take. It ended up in a loss, right? 22 pip loss, 24 pip loss. And then we waited, right? We didn't try and revenge trade that. We waited for the next high quality setup. We took that position, and what happened there? Break even. And then what did I do? What did I do? I called it. Called it a day, right? So I'm just moving on to the next trade. So that's what I would recommend doing. Just, hey, if you take a loss, it's not a big deal, gang. Traders lose trades, right? You guys do know that, right? Right? Just because you lose trades doesn't mean you're a bad trader. Every trader is going to lose trades. So all you could do is take it on the chin. If you stuck to your plan, which it sounds like you did, then that's a really good loss. I mean, at the end of the day, you got to pay some sort of rent to the markets here and there, right? We can't win them all. So yeah, I would just not even worry about it. No big deal. Healthy loss. Keep it moving.
And
if you stop expecting, because we've talked about this before, but if you stop expecting to win 100% of your trades, without expectation, there's no frustration, but with expectation, there's frustration, especially when the expectation is not met. Now you're frustrated. But when you can change your view and change your mind on, instead of focus on winning 100% of the trades, focus on taking the best trades 100% of the time, right? You focus on that, you're gonna be able to take losses like a pro. How do you expect to be a long-term trader and never take a loss? Huh? How's that gonna work? Losses are inevitable, chat.
It's like trying to
Everyone's
participate
gonna take
in
losses.
MMA.
Just make sure your losses.
Go ahead, buddy.
Just make sure your losses are healthy losses, good losses that go according to the plan, like yesterday. And then, like Nick did, right? Being able to take a loss, not revenge trading, staying disciplined to the plan. If the plan's not going to give you your playbook setup after that loss for the rest of the session, now you got to hop off and just come back tomorrow with the same plan. Y'all feel me?
Johnny the Gem.
Y'all feel
I was
me?
like, yo, is Zoom lagging? I can't hear any.
That's what I was saying. Imagine being like in MMA and not expecting to get punched in the face.
Exactly.
Right? That wouldn't be good. That wouldn't be good expectations, right?
Yeah, Mom, I'm gonna be a full-time trader, but I'm never gonna take a loss.
Insane in the membrane.
Right.
Nas is looking good. Oh, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Yeah, you need a closure, right? You need to wait for a candle to close here. 15 wasn't too bad if that was your position. Not too bad. Later. One loss and I'm done for life. Wait, we losing this thing? Some of you guys came here in June, didn't even know what a loss was until July, and was like, wait, this guy loses too? Hold on here.
That's hilarious, bro. Wait, we lose? Yeah.
Wait, what is
This
this
strategy?
L?
This strategy takes losses.
What is this L thing where you speak of?
Yeah. Sir, why are my MT5 profits red? Funny.
That's funny, bro.
Gold is pumping? Is it?
Gold's pumping.
I don't see no pump. Me no see pump. Hey, what's that L thing that you have on your template over there? Yeah, that's a loss. US 30's a goner. US 30's quick. And US 30's quick. And like the chat was on, when was that? Friday? Or no, Monday, right? I feel like that was like...
That's true.
I feel like that was last week already.
What, yesterday?
Yeah.
US 30 was a 1 hour fake out though, so.
Yeah, we had some weirdos in the chat yesterday, man. Some people who clearly do not trade. Are you in any trade? Nope. Yeah, my apologies for the delay here on stream. I think when that whole little blackout thing happened, it kind of lagged our stream a little on the latency. Do I use 2 Instagram accounts? I actually do use 2 Instagram accounts, but one of them is private. One of them is a private page for just my friends and family because I don't want these weird bozo scammers taking pictures of my kids and my wife and all that stuff. So I just create a separate page, but that's just a small page that I have for friends and family to keep up with, you know, my life.
But if you're asking about a second account because it's messaging you, it's not him.
Yeah. That second account's never gonna message you. Trust me.
You get a message from Nick Stewart, automatically is his camera.
And that second account is a picture of me and my wife, so it's not gonna be.
Yeah, you don't post any trade on that.
No,
right?
No trading. Yeah, I don't post any trading on it. I thought it was a scammer. Oh no. Yeah, if you guys want to keep up with like my family and stuff, I mean. But even on that page, I'm very don't take it personal, but I probably won't accept anyone because I don't know who's the scammer. Keeping up with the Nickelodeons, yeah, exactly. What did you do for a living before trading? I didn't really do much for a living. I basically jumped from job to job. Never really understood it. I did network marketing for a while, and I always just found my foot in entrepreneurship and kind of held jobs for like a week or two, or you know, like a month or two, and then just dipped out. I say, hold on. This is for how long? I get my paycheck. This is for the. You said we get bi-weekly, but this gotta be for the week, right? Just 1 week? No, that's 2. Oh yeah, I'm out of here. I'll be dead. I'll just dip. Lunch break, never coming back.
Bro, you got me the same way, bro. That don't make sense.
I'm talking to the other Nick for weeks. Oh, look at this. Are we gonna get the close above? We got 4 minutes here, chat. So lock it in. I must have some sort of magic ice cubes here because there's no way that these ice cubes sat here for 3 hours and did not melt. What now? Yeah, vlogs are all that. I'm gonna be putting out a lot of content soon. A lot of vlogs and stuff coming soon.
Vlogs coming.
Any thoughts on 8-cap broker? So far, so good. I use them on my 400K account. Seems like a lot of traders started with network marketing. Yeah, I could see that. You know, network marketing changed the game for me, and I know for a lot of people just thinking, you know, positive and process focused and, you know, goal driven, right? So that helps. Come on, baby, pull back for us.
I wouldn't mind taking off those highs.
It's a 1 hour close too here, so.
Yeah, break of the highs might be good.
Close right there.
You were in the army? No, I wasn't.
Yo, they're thinking about when you were saying about being a soldier the other day.
Yeah. I'm in the army, all right. My commander-in-chief is the market. It tells me what to do and when to do it. Network marketing made me a new man. Yeah, me too. Me too.
Yeah, QN, the withdrawal vlog is coming hopefully Thursday night or Friday. I can't even request it until tomorrow. So
what?
AQN is talking about my withdrawal vlog.
Oh.
I had a couple people ask me about that.
You making a vlog on the withdrawal?
Yeah.
Oh snap! What's that gonna just? What, like the process?
Yeah, just the process of how it goes.
Oh, nice.
So,
see if 8-cap's legit.
I can't even request it until Wednesday, so which is tomorrow. So it probably won't be in my bank account until Thursday. So hopefully Thursday night or Friday I'll have that up.
Nick, did
Are you trading today?
Wake up now.
I'm trading a phase 1 today of a new account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Copy.
Okay, let's lock this in because I think we should be good here. So yeah, the entries are definitely going to be on the break of the highs here for price to continue up. I just want to see, I do have this line here. Let's just make sure this is just a wick here. So yeah, I think our break-even point will probably be somewhere around these levels here, and that's going to be probably what the trade's going to look like. So we're going to target 1980 here, because that's where I could see the 4-hour really heading. So we'll target 1980, and then I think we'll be about
Waypoint stops
22 or 23 pips in profit by the time we get to that break-even point. And then stops are going to be, let's take a look here. Yeah, stops are definitely going to be current candles. We definitely can't have a 90 pip stop.
Of course.
So yeah, current candle stops. I want to see a bottom wick here, tap into this white line, and then we'll let it rip. The wake up now. Yeah, nah, I wasn't in that. Okay, we need a bottom wick here, gang. Yeah, seeing me in a hoodie. Yo, we keep it cold in the house. It's hot outside, but it's chilly in the house, man. I was in network marketing since 2015 until the pandemic. Yeah, same here. Same here. When Nick cuts onions, the onions cry. Army of God. Yes, sir, Daniel. What do you think
Hey,
about
Chad, are we gonna get our entry?
broke the highs there? So we need a bottom wick, right? We can't do anything with that. Let's take a look at how that US 30 closed. Ooh, man, that thing pushed all the way up. Thanks a lot, Gold. Doctor called you a scammer in his live? Oh, wow. No way. Dr. Dollar was here yesterday, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was.
What would he be doing on my page? When Nick drops
He
his
didn't.
wallet?
He probably didn't say that.
Yeah, he probably did. It's gone. Yeah, he definitely did not say that. Well, that was our break-even point, so it got there really quick. Just no bottom wick there, right? So.
No, we could do.
Trolling. Enjoy your day, amigos and amigas. Yep, this is what we wanted here. We wanted to be in this move, but we can't break our rule to be in it, right?
W discipline.
Yeah, this candle also closed with no. Oh, that was the. Yeah, that was the. Oh, the 30 closed with no top wick there. Also.
See the most tiniest wick ever.
Not our pips, gang.
Hey, at least we know our direction was correct. Our analysis was correct, right?
Yep, that's the main thing, right? We're always on the money with that. We're always in the money where the price is going. It's just about getting in, right? You got to make sure you have clear signals and signs to get in this. Now that the setup was there, but in this case, the entry wasn't. So you got to have both of them. Not even 1,000 likes yet. I'm upset, man.
Are you serious?
Damn.
Come on, gang. Come on.
Damn, Chad.
Why don't you just put the stuff? Yo, chat, can we get 1,000 likes? Can y'all do that for me? Can we just get 1,000? I know you guys can all do that. You have the power at a click of a button to get up to 1,000. You guys are holding that power back from me right now. That's not nice.
It's no bueno.
That's not nice, man, to do to your YouTube guy. Hey, I don't want 300 pips either before the, 300 likes before the breakdown anymore. We're good at 200.
Alright. Alright.
I'm gonna call it a day. Nice. Have a great day. Have a great day.
Other like.
Oh, Jay, don't worry about it. Oh, look at this. Almost at 1,000. Can we do it? Can we do it? Let's go, chat. Let's go. Come on, chat. We got this. 1K coming.
I believe in you guys.
I believe.
I think it takes 7 muscles to move your finger like this, I think.
The like count. I believe it could fly. I believe. Don't be that guy to not like the stream.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Oh, 993. Do I see 995? 995? 995. Oh, there's 1K. Look at that. It is done. See, that's why I love you guys. That's why I freaking love you guys. Can we get to 2K? No, I'm just kidding. W. Hey, dab. Nah, thank you guys. So yeah, one trade here so far today, which was earlier this morning off of this candle right here. That was it. That was our only entry we had. We had the closure above, right above these highs here. We took a position on this candle and got a nice little move there, and that was it. That was pretty much it in terms of possible entries here, right? That support that we were looking for, we got it, but we just didn't get the bottom wick here. But gold's exhausted, dude. Why would you look for buys at 1969? Well, you must not have been trading gold too long. Remember, gang, I've been trading gold for 3 years, every single morning, every day. 2K likes with the 1 points. Yeah, if everyone liked the stream, we'd be right at 2K. Just about there. You got 7% on that? Nice. Hey, it is what it is. There he is. Hey, that makes up for yesterday, doesn't it? I hope that makes up for yesterday. I hope I made that up to you, man. How's the weekly looking now on gold? Yeah, the weekly's flying here on gold. Flying. Prickly. Is it possible to have a monthly fake out? Oh yeah. Oh yes, it is. Look at this. Possible monthly fake out. Look at this. Right? This was the zone we had here, the closure below that zone. We talked about this morning, right? How this could potentially be our fake out to continue price moving up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We will have to wait and find out. So 4 hour is pushing up very nicely here, and we still got room, still got range to drive. 1980 is the target, but yeah, this thing's moving pretty good. Yeah, possible monthly fake out. GJ's flying. GJ. Clean buys on GJ above here. Yeah, we may be able to catch these for London close here today. Let's see. Get somewhat of a pullback. Thank you, gents. It's been fun once again. You guys rock. You rock, man. You rock. What do you think about US 30? Let's take a look. I just noticed your haircut. NASDAQ, look at that. NASDAQ pulled back here. That's why, yeah, wow. 30-minute dropped and then pulled back. We closed above that support there, that's why. US 30 though, yeah, nothing here for me. Daily's rocking though. Yeah, nothing to do there. No bottom wick on that 1 hour candle yet either. Should come down and make a bottom wick. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Hi, bro. You took a trade on gold? Yeah, we took a trade earlier on gold off this candle right here. Yeah, that was at like 7 a.m. Yeah, 7 a.m. Yeah, man. If we would have had a bottom wick here, we were all ready to go, but nothing you can do.
I'm trying to figure out why I don't see like really too much of this like grain situation going on Forex Factory. Interesting.
Interesting. Yep, we were all ready to take that position. Look at that, gang. I could have been up $5,100. 57. Oh my god, I could have been up 6,000 right there. Gold daily has no bottom wick. Yeah, that's true. It's a sell now.
Oh.
Oh. Not our pips. Yeah, yeah, those aren't my pips. If this bottom wick isn't there, then I don't consider this a move for me.
Yeah.
Yep.
Where are you gonna put your stop loss, guys?
Yeah, we would have
90 pips below.
We would have been putting in joints all the way down here. That joint would have been. I ain't trying to risk 9,000 here. And then could you really trust that? I can't.
No top wick either.
Yeah, no, yeah. Those are a lot of red flags here. Buy or sell? I was in the trade, then I saw no bottom wick and deleted the trade. Oh man. What time is it? 10:11? All right, yeah, I think that might be the day here. Let me take a look at this 4 hour range here. Yeah, I think unless we get a pullback of some sort, other than that, you know, price is gone, right? Price is gone. Don't be hasty and you'll win. Yep. If you go down to a small enough time frame, you'll find a wick. You can find it. It's there. It's there. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna call it a day here. We'll come back tomorrow, see what we can do. If I do take any positions, I'll call it in the signals channel. I will be looking to take positions if we do pull back here. But as of right now, it's just pushing up. So don't want to keep you guys on stream for too long here today, right? I know you guys got stuff to do, but yeah, if we get a pullback or something, I will call this trade. I'll take this trade myself, but as of right now, we may just push up and there may be no trade. So that's gonna do it here, ladies and gentlemen. Another Tuesday. We took one win here today, which was pretty good. Nice early trade, and that was it for the day. So yeah, that's gonna be it.
W
42. W's. Yes, sir. So we'll be back here tomorrow at same place, same time. Get here nice and early tomorrow so we can get the breakdown in and everyone can see the breakdown and learn from the breakdown. It should be a very interesting daily closure here today. If we remove all this, man, if we can just close above this level, then I would be very confident looking for buys as we continue up here. So W's in the chat here. That is all for today, and we're gonna rock out to some music and then go about our day here. All right,
and then we're gone. Yep.
Love y'all.
Yep. Love you guys.
Y'all have a great
John,
day.
Unc, Jose, everyone else that's in the Zoom, everyone in the chat. Love y'all.
Sir.
See you, boys.
Alrighty.
Have a good day.
All right.
I'm gone.
All right, chat. Hey, love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Like and sub to the channel on the way out if you haven't yet. And just lift them hands. We're going to switch it up a little bit today. All right.